Hello and welcome. I'm truly delighted you're here. Before we get underway, I'd love for you to share in the comments where you're tuning in from and what time it happens to be in your part of the world. It's always such a joy to see this community come together across places and time zones. I also want to take a gentle moment to thank everyone who's subscribed and shown support through likes on the videos. It helps me know what you value most, and it helps others find this space too. Please feel free to leave your ideas for future topics in the comments. Now, let's begin. Chapter 1: Understanding Soil Microbes, the Basics. Soil, upon which we tread, is not merely a collection of dirt and debris. Beneath the surface, a vibrant world thrives, populated by countless microorganisms that shape life as we know it. These tiny life forms, known as soil microbes, include bacteria, fungi, archaea, and protozoa. Each type plays a distinct role, contributing to the intricate web of life that sustains ecosystems. Soil microbes are the unseen engineers of our planet, essential for maintaining soil health and fertility. They form a complex community, interacting with one another and with larger organisms, creating a dynamic environment that supports plant growth. Imagine, if you will, the soil as a bustling city where every microbe has its job, collaborating to ensure the overall well-being of the ecosystem. This collaboration is vital. Without it, the balance of nature would be disrupted. The importance of soil health cannot be overstated. It serves as the foundation for ecosystems, supporting plant life, which in turn provides food and shelter for animals. Healthy soil is rich in organic matter and nutrients, making it fertile and capable of sustaining diverse plant species. When soil is in good condition, it promotes biodiversity above ground as well, creating habitats for myriad organisms. On the other hand, degraded soil leads to reduced agricultural productivity, diminished wildlife habitats, and increased vulnerability to climate change. The health of our soil directly impacts our food systems and the overall well-being of our planet. Within the soil, microbial diversity is astonishing. Researchers estimate that a single gram of healthy soil can harbor 1 billion bacteria and thousands of fungal species. This diversity is crucial because it enhances resilience against diseases and environmental stressors. Each microbe has adapted to its specific niche, contributing to the overall functionality of the soil ecosystem. Some bacteria break down organic matter, while others fix nitrogen, converting it into a form that plants can utilize. Fungi, on the other hand, form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, enhancing nutrient uptake. The interdependence of these microbes creates a rich tapestry of life. As the renowned soil scientist, Dr. Elaine Ingham, has said, "If you take care of the soil will take care of you." This highlights the reciprocal relationship between soil health and the organisms that depend on it. When we nurture this community of microbes, we foster an environment that can produce healthy crops, filter water, and support a thriving ecosystem. Microbes play several key functions in nutrient cycling, a process that is fundamental to the sustainability of ecosystems. At the heart of nutrient cycling is the breakdown of organic matter. As plants and animals die, their remains are decomposed by bacteria and fungi, releasing essential nutrients back into the soil. This process not only cleanses the environment, but also enriches the soil, making nutrients available for future generations of plants to flourish. Nitrogen cycling is particularly fascinating. Nitrogen, a critical element for plant growth, is often found in the atmosphere, but is not readily available to plants in its gaseous form. Certain soil bacteria possess the remarkable ability to convert atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form through a process called nitrogen fixation. This transformation is vital for agriculture, as it allows plants to access a nutrient that is otherwise abundant but largely unusable. Phosphorus cycling is another significant aspect of microbial function. Phosphorus is crucial for energy transfer within cells and is a key component of DNA. However, it is often present in forms that plants cannot absorb. Here, mycorrhizal fungi come into play. These fungi form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, extending their hyphae into the soil, effectively increasing the surface area for nutrient absorption. This partnership allows plants to access phosphorus and other nutrients, enhancing their growth and health. Furthermore, soil microbes participate in the carbon cycle. They help decompose organic matter, which releases carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. This process is essential for regulating the Earth's climate. However, when managed sustainably, soil can also act as a carbon sink, sequestering carbon in the form of organic matter. This dual role of microbes in both releasing and capturing carbon illustrates their importance in addressing climate change. Reflecting on these processes, one might wonder how we can support and enhance the microbial communities in our soils. Practices such as organic farming, reduced tillage, and cover cropping can encourage microbial diversity and health. By minimizing chemical inputs and disturbances, we allow these tiny organisms to thrive. As Dr. David Montgomery wisely noted, healthy soil is not a luxury, it is a necessity for a sustainable future. In this rich underground world, every microbe plays a vital role in sustaining life. The interconnectedness of these organisms creates a resilient ecosystem, capable of supporting the vast array of life on Earth. By understanding soil microbes and their functions, we can appreciate the delicate balance that sustains the ecosystems we rely upon. As we continue to explore this hidden realm, we uncover the profound connections between soil health, microbial diversity, and the environments we inhabit. The journey into this microscopic universe not only expands our knowledge, but deepens our appreciation for the natural world around us. Microbial activity is not merely a background process, it is a driving force behind the health of ecosystems. Each minute organism contributes to a larger symphony of life, orchestrating interactions that are both complex and essential. Imagine a world where these microbes are not only present but thriving, working diligently to maintain the balance of nutrients, support plant health, and contribute to the cycle of life. One significant aspect of microbial diversity is its role in soil structure. Soil microbes help to bind soil particles together, creating aggregates that improve aeration and water retention. These aggregates are crucial for maintaining the physical health of the soil, allowing roots to penetrate deeper and access water and nutrients more effectively. Without the activity of microbes, soil would become compacted, leading to poor drainage and limited root growth. Moreover, soil microbes play a vital role in suppressing soil-borne diseases. Specific bacteria and fungi can compete with pathogens for resources, effectively outcompeting harmful organisms and thus reducing disease incidence. This natural form of pest control is a testament to the importance of maintaining healthy microbial communities. As we cultivate our gardens or agricultural fields, we must recognize that fostering these beneficial microbes can lead to a more resilient and productive ecosystem. The contributions of soil microbes extend to the realm of biogeochemical cycles, where they influence the availability of essential nutrients. For example, sulfur is another critical element that plays a role in plant health. Certain bacteria can oxidize sulfide to sulfate, making this nutrient available for plant uptake. This is just one of the many ways microbes ensure that the soil remains a reservoir of essential elements needed for life. Consider the process of bioremediation, where microbes are employed to clean up contaminated environments. Certain bacteria have the ability to metabolize pollutants, such as heavy metals and hydrocarbons, transforming them into less harmful substances. This remarkable ability not only highlights the resilience of these microorganisms, but also their potential in environmental restoration. The notion that tiny organisms can combat pollution is both inspiring and humbling. As we reflect on these fascinating capabilities, we cannot overlook the outstanding individuals who have dedicated their lives to understanding soil microbiomes. Dr. Rita Caldwell, a prominent microbiologist, once remarked, "The future will be about bioremediation and bacteria's role in cleaning up the environment." Her insights remind us of the potential for microbes to become allies in addressing some of the most pressing environmental challenges we face today. Imagining the soil as a dynamic, living entity invites us to appreciate the diversity within it. Each type of microbe, whether it be a bacterium that thrives in anaerobic conditions or a fungus that flourishes in the presence of moisture, has adapted to its surroundings over millennia. This adaptability is a testament to the resilience of life itself. It begs the question, how can we harness this resilience to support sustainable practices? The symbiotic relationships between microbes and plants are particularly captivating. Take, for instance, the relationship between legumes and nitrogen-fixing bacteria such as rhizobium. These bacteria inhabit root nodules of legumes, where they convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use. In return, the plants provide the bacteria with carbohydrates and a protective environment. This mutualistic relationship not only enhances soil fertility, but also promotes biodiversity by allowing diverse plant species to thrive in nutrient-poor soils. In addition to their role in nutrient cycling, soil microbes also influence the soil's pH levels. Certain bacteria can produce organic acids as metabolic byproducts, which can lower soil pH, making nutrients more available for plant uptake. Meanwhile, other microbes may work to increase soil pH, creating a more alkaline environment that can benefit different types of plants. This delicate balance illustrates how soil microbes are integral to managing the chemical properties of the soil, ultimately affecting plant health and productivity. As we consider the future of agriculture and land management, it becomes increasingly clear that understanding soil microbes is key to fostering sustainable practices. Simple actions, such as composting organic waste or implementing crop rotation, can significantly enhance microbial diversity and health. By enriching our soils with organic matter, we create an environment conducive to microbial proliferation, allowing these tiny life forms to flourish and fulfill their roles in nutrient cycling. The relationship between soil health and human health is another vital aspect to ponder. Healthy soils lead to healthy plants, which in turn provide nutritious food for humans. As we face challenges related to food security and environmental degradation, this interconnectedness cannot be ignored. The more we understand about soil microbes and their functions, the better equipped we become to make informed choices that benefit both our health and the planet. As we journey deeper into the microscopic world of soil, we uncover not just the functions of these tiny organisms, but also the profound connections that bind us to the ecosystems that support life. Each microbe contributes to a greater purpose, reminding us of the intricate web of life that extends far beyond what is visible. The more we explore, the more we realize that in nurturing these microbial communities, we are also nurturing the very foundations of existence itself. In this exploration, we must remain mindful of the delicate balance that sustains our planet. The actions we take today will reverberate through the soil, and the ecosystems that rely on it for generations to come. By understanding the roles of soil microbes, we can cultivate a deeper appreciation for the intricate relationships that define our world. As we strive for sustainability, let us not lose sight of the guardians of the soil, these remarkable microorganisms that tirelessly work to maintain the health of our planet. Chapter 2: Microbes as Nutrient Cyclers, the Essential Role. Within the soil, the role of microbes extends far beyond mere presence. They are the quiet architects of nutrient cycling. As organic matter enters the soil, it begins a transformation, facilitated by these microorganisms. Imagine a forest floor blanketed with fallen leaves, decaying plant matter, and remnants of once vibrant life. These materials do not simply vanish, they are embraced by soil microbes, which break them down into simpler substances. This decomposition process is vital for the renewal of nutrients, as it releases essential elements back into the ecosystem. Microbes, particularly bacteria and fungi, work tirelessly to dismantle complex organic compounds. They secrete enzymes that cut through tough plant materials, breaking them down into smaller, more manageable pieces. This process not only aids in the recycling of nutrients, but also improves soil structure, enhancing its capacity to retain moisture and support plant life. As these microorganisms consume organic matter, they transform it, leading to the release of nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These elements, once locked away in decaying matter, become available for uptake by plants, creating a seamless cycle of life. Have you ever pondered how plants access these vital nutrients? It is through the intricate relationships formed with soil microbes that this occurs. When a plant roots itself in the soil, it reaches out for assistance. The roots exude compounds that attract beneficial microbes, creating a symbiotic partnership. In exchange for carbohydrates and other organic materials, microbes provide a steady supply of nutrients, ensuring the plant can thrive. It is a delicate balance, one that highlights the importance of microbial activity in the nutrient cycling process. One of the most remarkable contributions of soil microbes is their role in nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen, an essential nutrient for plant growth, often exists in forms that are not directly usable by plants. However, certain bacteria, like those in the Rhizobium family, have developed a unique ability to convert atmospheric nitrogen into forms that plants can absorb. Picture this: as leguminous plants such as clover or peas grow, they form nodules on their roots, where these nitrogen-fixing bacteria reside. Within these nodules, a fascinating exchange takes place. The bacteria take in atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into ammonia, a compound that plants can readily utilize. This not only enriches the soil, but also reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers, promoting a more sustainable approach to agriculture. The impact of nitrogen fixation on ecosystems is profound. It not only enriches the soil, but also supports the entire food web. When plants uptake nitrogen, it becomes a part of their structure, eventually feeding herbivores, which in turn nourish carnivores. The cycle continues, demonstrating how interconnected life truly is. As the renowned biologist Albert Einstein once said, "If the bee disappeared off the surface of the globe, then man would have only 4 years left to live." While this quote speaks of bees, it is a reminder of the intricate relationships within ecosystems, including those formed between plants and microbes. Beyond nitrogen, microbes also influence the cycling of phosphorus and potassium in the soil. Phosphorus, essential for energy transfer and photosynthesis, often remains locked in mineral forms that are inaccessible to plants. Here, mycorrhizal fungi come into play. These fungi form associations with plant roots, extending their hyphae into the soil, exploring a much larger volume than the plant roots alone could reach. Imagine these fungal threads as a vast network, stretching through the soil, seeking out phosphorus and other nutrients. Through their intricate networks, they dissolve phosphorus compounds, making them available to their plant partners. This relationship not only boosts the plant's access to nutrients, but also enhances its resilience against diseases and environmental stress. Potassium, another critical nutrient, is abundant in soil minerals, yet only a fraction is available for plant uptake. Soil microbes play a crucial role in releasing potassium from these minerals through weathering processes. Certain bacteria produce organic acids that can break down potassium-rich minerals, releasing this vital nutrient into a form that plants can absorb. This process emphasizes the importance of maintaining healthy microbial communities in the soil, as their activity directly impacts plant health and crop yields. Reflecting on these relationships, one cannot help but marvel at the complexity and beauty of nature. The microbial world operates beneath our feet, unseen yet paramount to the functioning of life. The balance they strike is delicate, and disturbances to this balance can disrupt nutrient cycling, leading to a cascade of consequences in the ecosystem. Healthy soils, brimming with diverse microbial life, are essential for sustaining agriculture and natural ecosystems alike. As we explore the significance of microbes in nutrient cycling, we begin to understand the profound impact they have on food production and environmental sustainability. Healthy soils contribute to robust crops, which in turn support human populations. The intricate relationships forged between plants and microbes foster resilience, ensuring ecosystems can adapt to changing conditions. Imagine walking through a lush garden, vibrant with life. Each plant stands strong, nourished by the hidden work of soil microbes. The beauty of nature is not just in the visible flora and fauna, but also in the unseen processes that sustain them. By nurturing our soils and the microbial communities within, we can ensure a thriving ecosystem for generations to come. The role of microbes in nutrient cycling is a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth. These tiny organisms, often overlooked, are essential players in the grand narrative of life. As we continue to learn from them, we open ourselves to a deeper understanding of the world around us and our place within it. The symphony of life plays on, with microbes conducting a vital part of the score, reminding us that even the smallest beings can have the most significant impact. As we immerse ourselves in the realm of microbial activity, it is essential to appreciate the intricate processes that underpin nutrient cycling in the soil. The breakdown of organic matter by microbes is not a simple task. It is a complex symphony involving various players, each with a specific role. This decomposition is the starting point, where carbon-rich materials such as dead plants and animal remains undergo transformation. Imagine the bustling activity as bacteria and fungi begin their work. They break down complex carbohydrates and proteins, releasing carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere while simultaneously liberating essential nutrients. This process not only enriches the soil, but also enhances its structure, allowing for better water infiltration and root penetration. The cooperative efforts of different microbial species ensure that no nutrient is wasted, creating a harmonious cycle that sustains the life above. As organic matter decomposes, it enters a phase known as mineralization, where microbes convert organic nutrients into inorganic forms, making them accessible to plants. This transformation is vital. Without it, the nutrients locked within organic matter would remain trapped, unavailable for uptake. Envision a tree standing tall, its roots delving deep into the soil, tapping into a reservoir of nutrients released by the diligent work of microbes. This connection is more than mere biology. It is a vital partnership that sustains life. Nitrogen fixation, a process highlighted earlier, is just one facet of the rich tapestry of nutrient cycling. Alongside nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium also play crucial roles in plant health. Phosphorus, often considered the energy currency of life, is essential for the formation of DNA, RNA, and ATP, the molecule that fuels cellular activities. Yet, phosphorus tends to be tightly bound within soil minerals, making it difficult for plants to access. This is where mycorrhizal fungi come into their own. These remarkable organisms extend their hyphal networks throughout the soil, reaching far beyond the boundaries of plant roots. Picture these fungal threads as a vast underground web, tirelessly working to unlock phosphorus from its mineral forms. The relationship between mycorrhizal fungi and plants is symbiotic. While the fungi secure nutrients, the plants provide carbohydrates in return. This exchange underscores the intricate interconnectedness that characterizes soil ecosystems. As we shift our focus to potassium, we encounter another important nutrient. Although potassium is abundant in soil minerals, its availability fluctuates due to various factors, including soil pH and organic matter content. Soil microbes play a significant role in potassium cycling by secreting organic acids that weather potassium-bearing minerals. This process releases potassium ions into the soil solution, where plants can absorb them. Imagine a garden bursting with life, each plant drawing upon the invisible yet vital support of soil microbes, which tirelessly work to ensure that nutrients are accessible. The influence of microbial activity extends beyond nutrient cycling. It also plays a crucial role in soil health and resilience. Healthy soils, rich in diverse microbial life, are better equipped to withstand environmental stressors such as drought or flooding. These soils can retain moisture more effectively, thanks to the improved structure created by microbial activity. As organic matter is broken down, it forms aggregates that enhance soil aeration and water retention, creating a nurturing environment for plants. The stories of individuals who have dedicated their lives to studying these microbial interactions are particularly inspiring. Take, for instance, the work of scientists like Dr. Myron M. McGarity, who explored the relationships between soil microbes and plant health. His insights into microbial ecology have illuminated our understanding of how these tiny organisms influence agricultural practices and sustainability. The legacy of such pioneers continues to shape how we perceive and manage our soils. As we contemplate the impact of these microorganisms, we may wonder how disturbances to their communities affect the broader ecosystem. Human activities, such as intensive farming and the application of chemical fertilizers, can disrupt the delicate balance within the soil. These practices may lead to the decline of beneficial microbial populations, resulting in diminished nutrient cycling and soil fertility. The repercussions are far-reaching, extending beyond the soil to impact entire ecosystems and food webs. Reflecting on the balance of life in the soil invites us to consider our role as stewards of the environment. By promoting practices that enhance soil health, such as organic farming, crop rotation, and minimal tillage, we can support the resilience of microbial communities. Imagine the possibilities if we cultivate our soils with care, allowing the hidden world of microbes to flourish. As we delve into the depths of microbial function, we uncover a world that is not only fascinating, but also essential for our survival. The interconnected web of life that exists within the soil is a testament to the remarkable relationships that sustain ecosystems. By understanding the vital roles that microbes play in nutrient cycling, we can appreciate the intricate balance of life that thrives beneath our feet. In this silent world of microbes, every organism plays a part, contributing to the larger narrative of life. It is a reminder that even the smallest beings have the power to shape the environment around them. As we move forward, let us remain mindful of these unseen partners in our quest for sustainability, recognizing that the health of our soils is intricately linked to the health of our planet. The journey of discovery continues, inviting us to explore the wonders of the microbial realm and its profound impacts on the ecosystems we inhabit. Chapter 3: Enhancing Plant Growth, Microbial Contributions. In the rich and complex world beneath our feet, a remarkable collaboration unfolds, one that has existed for millions of years. Symbiotic relationships between microbes and plants form the foundation of this collaboration, transforming simple interactions into a symphony of growth and vitality. Imagine tiny fungi and bacteria as diligent partners, working in concert with the roots of plants in a dance of nourishment and support. This partnership is not merely beneficial, it is essential for the thriving of our ecosystems. One of the most fascinating components of these relationships is the mycorrhizal fungi. These fungi extend their delicate filaments, known as hyphae, into the soil, reaching far beyond the confines of a plant's root system. Picture a network of mycorrhizal threads weaving through the soil, interlinking with the roots of various plants, sharing nutrients and water in a communal effort. This intricate web allows plants to access resources that would otherwise remain out of reach. When plants thrive, they return the favor by providing the fungi with carbohydrates, the energy source that fuels their growth. The benefits of mycorrhizal associations are profound. Research has shown that plants connected to these fungal networks exhibit enhanced growth, improved resistance to diseases, and greater tolerance to environmental stresses such as drought. How do these fungi achieve such remarkable feats? By increasing the surface area for nutrient absorption, mycorrhizal fungi dramatically improve a plant's ability to take up essential minerals like phosphorus and nitrogen. This symbiotic relationship reduces the need for chemical fertilizers, promoting a more sustainable approach to agriculture and reducing the impact on our ecosystems. The role of microbial inoculants in agriculture is another fascinating facet of enhancing plant growth. These beneficial microorganisms, when introduced to soil or plants, can bolster health and productivity. Imagine a farmer introducing a specific strain of bacteria that has been shown to enhance nutrient availability. This simple act can lead to significant improvements in crop yields. Not only do these inoculants support plants in accessing nutrients, but they also stimulate root development and promote overall soil health. One remarkable individual in this field is Dr. Elaine Ingham, a pioneer in the study of soil microbiology. She emphasizes that healthy soil is alive with microorganisms that interact in complex ways. Soil is a living entity, she states, reminding us that the microbial community supports not only plant growth, but the entire ecosystem above ground. By utilizing microbial inoculants, farmers can mimic the natural processes that occur in healthy soils, leading to more resilient crops and sustainable farming practices. As we explore these themes further, consider the impact of microbes on plant hormone levels. Just as humans respond to various stimuli through hormonal changes, plants also rely on hormones to regulate growth and development. Microbes play a crucial role in influencing these hormonal levels, acting as messengers that can enhance or inhibit growth depending on the context. For instance, certain bacteria can produce auxins, hormones that promote root elongation and help plants adapt to their environment. Imagine a plant struggling to grow in a nutrient-poor soil. The presence of beneficial bacteria can trigger a series of hormonal responses, allowing the plant to develop a more extensive root system, seeking out nutrients and water more effectively. This intricate interplay between microbes and plant hormones showcases the complexity of their interactions, which are vital for plant health and resilience. In addition to auxins, microbes are known to influence the production of gibberellins and cytokinins, two other essential classes of plant hormones. Gibberellins promote stem elongation and seed germination, while cytokinins stimulate cell division and growth. By enhancing the availability of these hormones, microbes can significantly affect plant vigor and productivity. The work of Dr. John E. McLachlan, a biologist focused on plant microbe interactions, sheds light on this fascinating relationship. He once stated, "The communication between plants and microbes is one of the most sophisticated dialogues in nature." This dialogue is a testament to the evolutionary strategies that have developed over millennia, enabling plants to thrive in diverse environments. As we consider the implications of these microbial interactions, it becomes clear that the health of our agricultural systems hinges on understanding and harnessing these natural processes. The potential of microbial contributions to enhance plant growth opens new avenues for sustainable agriculture, emphasizing the need for a shift towards practices that support these vital relationships. Imagine a future where farmers, equipped with knowledge about beneficial microbes, cultivate crops that are not only more productive but also resilient to the challenges posed by climate change. This vision is not far-fetched. It is a rapidly emerging reality grounded in the science of soil biology. In the grand narrative of life on Earth, the role of microbes in enhancing plant growth is akin to the gentle, nurturing embrace of a mother cradling her child. They provide the support needed for plants to reach their full potential, fostering a vibrant tapestry of life that benefits not only the plants themselves, but also the myriad species that depend on them. As we continue to uncover the layers of this intricate relationship, we are reminded of the importance of protecting the microbial communities that dwell within our soils. Healthy soils, alive with microorganisms, are the cornerstone of sustainable agriculture and, by extension, the future of our planet. In this journey of discovery, we see that the world of plants and microbes is not merely a backdrop to our lives. It is a dynamic, living entity that continuously shapes our existence. Each interaction, each exchange of nutrients and information, contributes to a cycle that sustains life in all its forms. As we deepen our understanding of these relationships, we embrace the possibility of creating a more harmonious existence with nature, one that honors the profound connections that bind us all together. The whispers of the soil remind us that we are part of this intricate web. The dance of life continues, and with each step, we uncover the beauty of collaboration between microbes and plants, revealing the secrets of growth and resilience that have evolved over eons. In this ongoing exploration of the symbiotic relationships between microbes and plants, let us delve deeper into the fascinating realm of mycorrhizal fungi and their remarkable interactions with plant roots. These fungi, often referred to as the hidden powerhouses of the soil, engage in complex relationships that extend far beyond simple nutrient exchange. Imagine a vast underground network where mycorrhizal fungi connect the roots of various plants, creating a communal web of life that thrives on cooperation rather than competition. This collaborative network not only facilitates the transfer of nutrients, but also enhances the resilience of plants to environmental stresses. For example, when faced with drought conditions, plants that are part of a mycorrhizal network can access moisture more efficiently. The hyphal filaments of the fungi reach into the soil, drawing water from deeper layers and making it available to the connected plants. Isn't it remarkable to think that these fungi can sense the moisture levels in the soil and adapt their behavior accordingly? This ability to respond dynamically to environmental changes highlights the sophistication of these relationships. Moreover, mycorrhizal fungi can also play a protective role. When plants are under attack from pathogens or pests, the mycorrhizal network can help to bolster their defenses. Through the release of specific signaling compounds, the fungi can stimulate the plant's immune response, allowing it to fend off threats more effectively. This interaction exemplifies the depth of communication that exists between plants and microbes, a dialogue that has evolved over eons, ensuring survival in a constantly changing world. As we reflect on the benefits of microbial inoculants in agriculture, it becomes clear that harnessing these natural relationships can revolutionize farming practices. The introduction of specific microbial strains into the soil can enhance plant growth and health, leading to higher yields and improved crop quality. Imagine farmers applying a carefully selected blend of beneficial bacteria and fungi to their fields, creating a thriving ecosystem where plants flourish with minimal input of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. The potential for microbial inoculants extends beyond mere productivity. They can also contribute to soil health. By promoting the proliferation of beneficial microorganisms, these inoculants can improve soil structure, increase organic matter, and enhance water retention. Picture an agricultural landscape, once barren and depleted, rejuvenated by the myriad of life that thrives within its soil. This transformation not only benefits the farmer, but also strengthens the ecosystem as a whole, fostering biodiversity and resilience. In this context, it is worth considering the role of specific types of bacteria in influencing plant hormone levels. Certain beneficial bacteria can produce compounds that mimic plant hormones, effectively acting as growth stimulants. For instance, the production of cytokinins by specific bacterial strains can promote cell division and growth, leading to more robust plants. Have you ever wondered how some plants seem to grow faster and stronger than their neighbors? Often, it is the presence of these beneficial microbes working tirelessly in the soil that makes all the difference. Furthermore, the relationship between microbes and plant hormones is not one-sided. Plants, in turn, can influence the microbial community through the exudation of root compounds. These exudates, rich in sugars and organic acids, serve as food sources for soil microbes, creating a feedback loop that enhances both plant and microbial health. This intricate dance of giving and receiving is a beautiful reminder of the interconnectedness of all life. As we explore this dynamic further, consider the work of scientists like Dr. David Johnson, who has dedicated his career to understanding the interactions between soil health and plant productivity. He emphasizes the importance of fostering a diverse microbial community in the soil, suggesting that biodiversity is key to resilience. The more diverse your soil ecosystem, the more resilient your plants will be, he notes. This insight reinforces the idea that a healthy soil is a living, breathing entity, capable of adapting and thriving in the face of challenges. The influence of microbes on plant hormone levels does not stop with growth promotion. They can also mediate stress responses, helping plants navigate through adverse conditions. For instance, when faced with salinity or heavy metal contamination, certain microbial communities can enhance a plant's tolerance, enabling it to survive and even thrive where it once struggled. This remarkable ability to adapt to stressors speaks to the evolutionary ingenuity of both plants and their microbial allies. As we contemplate the intricate relationships between microbes and plants, it becomes evident that these interactions are not just essential for agricultural productivity, but are fundamental to the health of our ecosystems. The soil, alive with microbial activity, serves as a critical component in the greater web of life. Each microbe, each root, plays a role in sustaining the balance that allows plants to grow, flourish, and support the myriad organisms that depend on them. In this interconnected world, the vision of sustainable agriculture emerges, a practice that honors the delicate relationships between plants and their microbial companions. Imagine farmers who, guided by scientific understanding, cultivate their fields in harmony with nature. By nurturing the microbial communities in their soils, they create landscapes that are not only productive but resilient, capable of withstanding the challenges posed by a changing climate. The journey into the world of microbial contributions to plant growth reveals a profound truth. The health of our agricultural systems is tied to the health of our soils. By embracing the wisdom of nature and recognizing the value of these hidden allies, we can embark on a path toward sustainable practices that support both human needs and the delicate balance of our ecosystems. As we continue to uncover the secrets of these microbial relationships, we find ourselves on the brink of a new era in agriculture, one where knowledge and respect for the natural world guide our actions. The story of plants and microbes is far from over. It is an ongoing narrative that invites us to participate in the cultivation of life itself. Together, we can foster a future where plants and microbes thrive side by side, enriching our world and ensuring the well-being of generations to come. Chapter 4: Soil Structure and Stability, Microbial Impact. As we journey deeper into the heart of the soil, we begin to uncover the wonders of soil structure and its remarkable stability, intricately woven by the diligent work of microbes. These microscopic powerhouses contribute significantly to soil aggregation, creating a robust framework that supports both life and growth. Imagine, if you will, a vast landscape where particles of sand, silt, and clay cling together, forming clumps known as aggregates. Each aggregate, a mini fortress, provides numerous benefits to the soil environment. Soil aggregation is not a random occurrence. It is a testament to the cooperative efforts of microorganisms. Bacteria and fungi secrete organic compounds known as exudates, which act like a glue, binding soil particles together. This process transforms the soil into a stable structure, fostering an environment where roots can penetrate and thrive. Picture these exudates as the handshakes of the microbial community, sealing partnerships that enhance soil cohesion. The texture and porosity of soil are profoundly influenced by these microbial secretions. A well-aggregated soil is porous, allowing air and water to flow freely through its channels. This dynamic interplay is essential for the health of plants, which rely on adequate aeration and hydration to flourish. Have you ever considered how vital it is for roots to access both air and moisture? Without a well-structured soil, roots may struggle, leading to stunted growth or even plant failure. The ability of soil to retain water is another remarkable gift from the microbial world. Moisture retention is a critical factor in plant health, especially in times of drought. Microbes enhance this capacity by creating a network of tiny pores within the soil, which hold water like a sponge. Imagine a rain-soaked sponge, soaked with life-giving water, ready to release it gradually to thirsty roots. This process is vital in maintaining soil moisture levels, ensuring that plants have a consistent supply of water, even in dry spells. Moreover, microbial activity contributes to the soil's resilience against erosion. When strong aggregates are formed, they bind the soil together, preventing it from being swept away by wind or water. This stability is crucial for maintaining the landscape and supporting the plants that anchor it. Think of the soil as a protective shield, the aggregates acting as a bulwark against the forces of nature. The implications of soil structure on plant health are profound. A well-structured soil not only supports root growth, but also fosters a thriving ecosystem of beneficial organisms. Healthy roots are better equipped to absorb nutrients, while also signaling to the microbial community when they require assistance. In this interdependent relationship, the well-being of plants is closely tied to the health of the soil, illustrating the delicate balance that sustains life. Consider the wise words of a renowned ecologist who stated, "Nature is not a place to visit, it is home." This sentiment echoes through the heart of the soil, where every interaction between microbes and plants echoes the interconnectedness of life. Every time a microbe aids in breaking down organic matter or enhances the soil's structure, it is contributing to a larger narrative, one that nurtures the very essence of life on Earth. As we explore the intricate world of soil, let us not forget that beneath our feet lies a bustling metropolis of microbial life, each organism playing a pivotal role in maintaining the stability of soil structure. The contributions of these microbes are far-reaching, extending beyond simple aggregation to encompass a holistic approach to soil health. So, what can we learn from this thriving community? The importance of nurturing our soils becomes abundantly clear. By fostering microbial diversity and health, we can enhance soil structure and, in turn, support robust plant growth. The symbiotic relationships formed within the soil are a reminder of the cycles of life that connect us all. As we reflect on the remarkable contributions of microbes to soil structure, we recognize their role as stewards of the land. They are part of an intricate web, where every thread is essential for the stability and resilience of the ecosystem. In the grand design of nature, soil is not merely a medium for growth. It is a living entity, shaped and sustained by the countless interactions that occur within its depths. The next time you pick up a handful of soil, consider the unseen world that flourishes within. It is a tapestry of life, woven together by the tiny, yet mighty, microbes that call it home. Let us cherish and protect this hidden treasure, for it is the foundation upon which all life stands. In the realm of soil, the intricate relationships between microbes and the physical structure of the earth create a living mosaic that is vital for plant health. Microbial contributions to soil aggregation are not just a matter of cohesion. They are about creating an environment that nurtures life and facilitates growth. The aggregates formed through microbial activity not only enhance the soil's physical properties, but also influence its chemical and biological characteristics. Consider the role of soil exudates in shaping the texture and porosity of soil. When plants photosynthesize, they produce sugars and other organic compounds that they release into the soil through their roots. These exudates are not mere byproducts. They serve as energy sources for microbes and play a pivotal role in soil structure. Imagine these exudates as a buffet spread for the microbial community, inviting a diverse array of organisms to the feast. In return for this sustenance, microbes utilize these compounds to produce sticky substances that bind soil particles together, forming aggregates that improve soil texture and create larger pores. These larger pores are essential for water movement and air exchange within the soil. A well-structured soil is akin to a well-designed building, with spaces that allow for ventilation and drainage. When the soil is compacted, however, the ability of air and water to permeate diminishes, leading to what can be described as a suffocating environment for roots. The repercussions of such compaction are profound, as roots struggle to extract nutrients and moisture, ultimately stunting plant growth. As we ponder the extraordinary capacity of microbes to improve water retention in soil, we uncover yet another layer of their significance. In sandy soils, which tend to drain quickly, microbial activity can create organic matter that increases the soil's ability to hold moisture. This transformation is akin to the way a sponge absorbs water, expanding its capacity to retain it for future use. In contrast, in heavy clay soils, microbes help create structural stability by forming aggregates that prevent compaction and encourage drainage. Have you ever thought about how vital this moisture retention is during dry spells? During periods of drought, the soil's ability to hold water becomes a lifeline for plants. Microbial communities, by enhancing soil structure, act as guardians of water resources. They ensure that moisture is not lost to evaporation, but is available for plant uptake. This intricate web of interactions reflects the resilience of ecosystems in the face of changing environmental conditions. Moreover, the effects of soil structure extend beyond moisture retention. They significantly influence the overall health of plants. A well-structured soil provides ample space for roots to explore and expand, allowing them to establish a more extensive network for nutrient absorption. When roots are healthy and robust, they can access vital nutrients more efficiently, leading to enhanced growth and vitality. Imagine a young sapling with roots reaching deep into the earth, drawing on a reservoir of nutrients, while its leaves unfurl towards the sun, basking in life-giving light. This relationship is a testament to the synergy between soil and plant health. The connection between soil structure and plant health can be observed in the way certain plants thrive in specific soil types. For instance, legumes, known for their ability to fix nitrogen, benefit immensely from soil that is rich in organic matter and well aerated. The aggregates formed by microbes create the ideal conditions for these plants to flourish, thus contributing to the overall fertility of the soil. This mutualistic relationship is a reminder of nature's wisdom, where the health of one organism is inherently linked to another. As we reflect on the profound impact of soil structure on plant health, it becomes evident that the microbial community is not merely a collection of organisms, but a vital, dynamic player in maintaining ecosystem balance. Their contributions resonate through every layer of the soil, enhancing its physical, chemical, and biological properties. The stability and resilience of soil are, in essence, a reflection of the diverse microbial life that inhabits it. Think of the soil as a living library, where each microbial species holds a unique story of interaction and contribution. These stories unfold silently beneath our feet, yet they shape the landscapes we see above ground. The profound interconnectedness of soil, microbes, and plants serves as an inspiration to cultivate a deeper appreciation for the natural world. In nurturing soil health, we foster the resilience of ecosystems, ensuring that they can withstand the challenges posed by climate change, pollution, and other human-induced pressures. The lessons learned from this microscopic world encourage us to adopt practices that promote microbial diversity and vitality, ultimately benefiting both agriculture and natural ecosystems. In a world where the delicate balance of life often feels precarious, the role of microbes in soil structure and stability offers a reassuring perspective. These tiny organisms, through their collective efforts, remind us of the power of cooperation and the importance of stewardship in maintaining the health of our planet. By acknowledging their contributions, we can embark on a path that honors the intricate relationships that sustain life, both above and below the surface. As we continue to explore the depths of soil and its microbial inhabitants, let us carry with us the knowledge that every handful of earth holds the potential for life, stability, and resilience, waiting to be nurtured and cherished. The intricate connections between soil structure and plant health extend deeply into the realm of microbial interactions. These interactions are not just a backdrop. They are the very essence of how plants thrive and adapt to their environments. Microbes do not only improve soil by enhancing water retention and creating aggregates, they also influence nutrient availability and exchange, further enriching the soil ecosystem. Imagine a thriving garden where vibrant plants stretch towards the sun, their roots entwined with a network of microbial life. Each time a root encounters a beneficial microbe, it forms an exchange system that can alter the plant's fate. This collaboration is essential, as many plants rely on microbes to access vital nutrients locked in the soil. The process of nutrient solubilization, where microbes convert complex compounds into forms that plants can absorb, is a remarkable demonstration of nature's ingenuity. Consider phosphorus, an essential nutrient critical for plant growth. In its natural state, phosphorus is often bound to soil particles, rendering it unavailable to plants. However, specific soil bacteria and fungi possess the ability to mobilize this nutrient, releasing it into the soil water where it can be taken up by plant roots. Picture the roots of a struggling plant reaching out into the soil, only to discover a thriving community of microbes working diligently to unlock nutrients. This partnership can mean the difference between a plant that flourishes and one that falters. The role of microbial exudates transcends mere aggregation. They also play a pivotal part in soil texture and porosity. These organic compounds not only bind soil particles, but also enhance the soil's capacity to hold air and water. Imagine a sponge, fully saturated yet ready to release its moisture slowly. This is akin to how well-structured soil retains water, allowing it to be absorbed gradually by plant roots. In times of drought, this retention becomes critical, as it provides a buffer against stress, enabling plants to survive and even thrive despite adverse conditions. Furthermore, the effects of soil structure on plant health are profound and far-reaching. A well-structured soil promotes a dynamic exchange of gases, crucial for root respiration. Roots need oxygen to grow and function properly, and a compacted soil can create an environment where oxygen levels dwindle, stifling root development. In contrast, a soil rich in aggregates allows for better aeration, creating a vibrant atmosphere for roots to flourish. As we consider the broader implications of these interactions, it becomes evident that soil health is not merely an agricultural concern. It is a crucial element of environmental sustainability. Healthy soil contributes to climate regulation, carbon sequestration, and biodiversity. The microbial life within the soil acts as a buffer against climate change, storing carbon in organic forms, thus playing a role in mitigating greenhouse gas emissions. Reflect on the words of a pioneering soil scientist who remarked, "We can no longer afford to ignore the hidden life of soil." This statement underscores the urgency of recognizing the intricate relationships that sustain our ecosystems. By appreciating the role of microbes in enhancing soil structure and stability, we can better understand the importance of preserving these communities. The journey through the world of soil structure and stability reveals a profound interconnection between microorganisms and the health of plants and ecosystems. As stewards of the land, we are called to foster this interconnectedness, ensuring that the microbial communities thrive, thereby supporting the vitality of the soil. Each handful of soil is a promise of life, resilience, and potential. By nurturing the microbial communities that inhabit this living entity, we contribute to a sustainable future where the balance of nature remains intact and the cycle of life continues to thrive in all its forms. Chapter 5: Disease Suppression, microbes protecting plants. In the endless realm of soil, where a multitude of life forms coexist in harmony, the role of microbes extends into an extraordinary domain: disease suppression. Here, beneath the surface, a vibrant community of microorganisms engages in a protective ballet, defending plants against potential pathogens. Imagine, if you will, these microbes as vigilant guardians, ready to shield the roots of plants from the relentless threats posed by diseases. Their presence is not simply beneficial. It is crucial for the overall health of ecosystems and the crops that sustain human life. Soil microbial communities are the unsung heroes of plant disease resistance. They create a living network that interacts intricately with the roots of plants, offering protection while enhancing resilience. This relationship is akin to a symbiotic partnership where plants provide nourishment in the form of organic compounds, and in return, microbes fortify the plants against harmful intruders. Have you ever considered how plants, seemingly stationary, can defend themselves against threats? This defense is often orchestrated by the microbial allies residing in the soil. Beneficial microbes employ a range of mechanisms to suppress diseases. Some produce antimicrobial compounds that directly inhibit the growth of pathogens. Others outcompete harmful microorganisms for nutrients and space, effectively limiting their ability to thrive. This competition can be fierce, as beneficial microbes establish dominance over pathogens, creating a healthier environment for plants. Imagine a bustling marketplace where beneficial microbes set up their stalls, bustling with activity, while pathogens find themselves pushed to the outskirts, struggling to survive. One fascinating example of this dynamic can be found in the realm of biocontrol agents. These are microbes specifically utilized to manage plant diseases in agricultural settings. Take, for instance, the actinomycete bacteria, known for their ability to produce antibiotics. Scientists have harnessed these remarkable organisms, using them as biocontrol agents to combat soil-borne diseases such as root rot. As agricultural practices evolve, the potential of these microbes continues to expand, paving the way for more sustainable farming methods. Consider the case of Trichoderma, a genus of fungi that has captured the attention of researchers worldwide. Trichoderma species are adept at colonizing plant roots, forming a protective barrier against pathogens like Fusarium and Rhizoctonia, which can devastate crops. They accomplish this through a combination of competition and parasitism, effectively reducing the incidence of disease. The success of Trichoderma in agricultural applications highlights the profound impact that microbes can have on disease management. It is a testament to the intricate relationships formed in the soil, where one organism's strength can bolster another's survival. Equally important is the concept of microbial diversity in disease management. A diverse soil ecosystem is akin to a well-fortified fortress, where a variety of microbial species work in concert to fend off potential threats. The more varied the microbial community, the more resilient it becomes, capable of responding to a broader array of challenges. Imagine a team of specialists, each with unique skills and attributes, coming together to tackle complex problems. This diversity allows for redundancy and function, ensuring that if one species falters, others can step in to maintain the balance. The importance of maintaining microbial diversity cannot be overstated. Agronomists and ecologists alike emphasize that a single species approach to disease management can lead to vulnerabilities. When the microbial community lacks diversity, it becomes susceptible to disruptions, whether from climate change, soil degradation, or the overuse of chemical inputs. This fragility is akin to a monoculture crop. When one element fails, the entire system can collapse. Consider the delicate balance of a thriving garden. Each plant, each microbe, contributes to the overall health of the ecosystem. By fostering a diverse microbial community, we can promote not only plant health, but also a sustainable agricultural future. The cyclical nature of nutrients, created by the interactions of these diverse microbes, enriches the soil and enhances plant vigor, allowing crops to withstand diseases more effectively. Biocontrol agents serve as prime examples of how we can utilize these principles in agriculture. The integration of microbes into farming practices has become a pivotal strategy for sustainable pest management. Scientists are now exploring the potential of using diverse microbial formulations, combining various strains to create a more robust defense against diseases. This approach mirrors the natural ecosystems found in healthy soils, where diversity reigns supreme. Imagine a farm where beneficial microbes are actively cultivated, where the soil teems with life, and where plants flourish in an atmosphere of mutual support. This vision is not a distant dream, but a burgeoning reality. As we deepen our understanding of microbial interactions, we uncover new avenues for enhancing plant health and combating diseases. One prominent advocate of this approach, a pioneer in the field of sustainable agriculture, noted, "In nature, nothing exists alone." This sentiment echoes the intricate interdependence of life, where every organism plays a role in the symphony of existence. By recognizing the importance of beneficial microbes, we can begin to reshape our agricultural practices, aligning them more closely with the natural processes that have sustained ecosystems for millennia. In this context, the idea of soil as a living entity takes on new meaning. It is not merely a medium for plant growth, but a bustling metropolis of microorganisms engaged in a constant struggle for survival, balance, and harmony. The dialogue between plants and microbes shapes the landscape of disease management, creating a resilient system capable of withstanding the pressures of a changing world. As we explore further into the realm of disease suppression, it becomes clear that the relationship between plants and microbes is a two-way street. The health of one influences the health of the other, creating a dynamic system where every interaction matters. This interconnectedness is the lifeblood of ecosystems, ensuring that plants can thrive even in the face of adversity. Imagine walking through a lush forest, where the air is rich with the scent of damp earth and the sound of rustling leaves. Beneath your feet lies a world of unseen activity, where microbes work tirelessly to protect the roots of towering trees and delicate ferns alike. This vibrant community plays a critical role in maintaining the delicate balance of life, illustrating the profound impact of microorganisms on plant health. As we consider the vastness of this microbial world, it becomes evident that our understanding is still evolving. Researchers continuously uncover new facets of how microbes contribute to plant disease resistance, revealing complexities that challenge our perceptions of agriculture. The journey is ongoing, and with each discovery, we inch closer to unlocking the full potential of these microbial allies. In the quest for sustainable agriculture, the lessons learned from soil microbial communities remind us of the power of collaboration. Just as microbes work together to suppress diseases, we too must foster cooperation among farmers, scientists, and policymakers. By embracing the principles of diversity and interconnectivity, we can create agricultural systems that are more resilient, productive, and harmonious with nature. Through this lens, we can begin to envision a future where the balance of life is maintained not through chemical interventions, but through the innate capabilities of the very soil beneath our feet. As we nurture microbial communities and promote biodiversity, we pave the way for a new era in agriculture, one where crops flourish in an environment of mutual support and protection. The stories of microbes protecting plants are not just tales of small organisms working silently. They are narratives of resilience, innovation, and the enduring power of nature. As we delve deeper into this fascinating world, we continue to uncover the intricate dynamics that define plant health, disease resistance, and the remarkable interconnectedness of life. The world of soil microbes is not just a comforting notion. It is a realm filled with astonishing complexity and crucial interactions that shape the health of plants. As we consider the mechanisms of disease suppression, it is important to acknowledge the diversity of microbial communities and their unique abilities to protect plants. This diversity acts as a buffer against disease pressures, creating an environment where plants can thrive despite the presence of potential pathogens. Think of these microbial communities as a symphony, where each microbe plays a distinct role in orchestrating a harmonious defense system. Among them, specific bacteria such as Pseudomonas and Bacillus have emerged as key players in biocontrol. These bacteria not only produce antifungal and antibacterial substances, but also stimulate plant defense mechanisms, enhancing the plant's innate ability to resist disease. Imagine a plant fortified with the knowledge and strength imparted by its microbial allies, standing tall against the onslaught of disease. The success stories of biocontrol agents in agriculture are a testament to the power of these relationships. In one notable case, the introduction of Pseudomonas fluorescens in agricultural fields has significantly reduced the incidence of damping off, a disease caused by various soil-borne pathogens. This bacterium not only colonizes the plant roots, but also produces compounds that inhibit the growth of harmful fungi. Farmers who have adopted this approach often note a marked improvement in crop yields and plant vitality. The thriving fields are not just a result of the absence of disease, but also a celebration of the collaborative efforts between plants and their microbial guardians. Another remarkable example lies in the use of beneficial fungi such as mycoparasitic species, which target specific pathogens. For instance, the fungus Coniotherium minitans has been successfully employed against sclerotinia diseases in various crops. As it attacks the sclerotia, the dormant structures of the pathogen, it prevents them from germinating and causing disease. This method of biocontrol illustrates the delicate balance within the soil ecosystem, where one organism's existence can directly benefit another's survival. The importance of microbial diversity extends beyond the realm of individual species. It is the variety of interactions among these microorganisms that creates a robust defense system. A diverse microbial community enhances resilience by allowing plants to adapt to changing environments and resist various diseases. Can you picture the richness of a microbial community, teeming with life and diversity, each species contributing its unique strengths to the overall health of the ecosystem? This tapestry of life forms a dynamic network that responds to threats in a coordinated manner, ensuring that plants remain protected. As we delve deeper into the significance of microbial diversity, we must also recognize the threats posed by modern agricultural practices. The use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, while effective in the short term, can lead to a decline in microbial diversity. This reduction creates vulnerabilities, making crops more susceptible to diseases. Imagine a once thriving community that over time has been stripped of its diversity, leaving it weakened and exposed to threats. The wisdom of nature teaches us that resilience lies in diversity, and the restoration of microbial communities is essential for sustainable agriculture. The road to fostering microbial diversity is paved with practices that promote soil health. Crop rotation, cover cropping, and reduced tillage are strategies that enhance the richness of microbial communities. These practices not only improve soil structure and nutrient availability, but also create habitats for beneficial microorganisms to flourish. Envision a farm where the soil is alive with diverse life forms, each playing a part in a larger ecological story, nurturing the plants that depend on them. Moreover, the concept of soil health extends into the realm of ecosystem services. Healthy soils contribute to water filtration, carbon sequestration, and nutrient cycling, all of which are vital for the sustainability of our planet. As microbes work diligently beneath the surface, they play a pivotal role in these processes, ensuring that ecosystems remain functional and resilient. The intricate connections between microbes, plants, and the broader environment weave a narrative of interdependence that is crucial for life. As we embrace this understanding, the stories of those who advocate for microbial health become more poignant. Farmers who have witnessed the transformation of their fields through the integration of microbial management practices share their experiences with enthusiasm. They recognize that the path to resilience is not a solitary journey. It is a collective effort that involves understanding and respecting the principles of nature. Imagine the joy of walking through a thriving farm, where the air is filled with the scent of rich soil and vibrant plants. Each step reveals evidence of life: earthworms aerating the ground, beneficial insects buzzing about, and a myriad of microbes working tirelessly in the soil. This vision reflects the possibilities that arise when we prioritize the health of our microbial communities. In this ongoing journey, the exploration of microbial interactions continues to inspire innovation in agriculture. Scientists are now investigating how specific microbial consortia can be used to enhance plant health and disease resistance, leading to new formulations that optimize the benefits of these tiny allies. The potential to harness the power of these microorganisms is vast, and as we learn more, we open doors to practices that are in harmony with nature. The stories of disease suppression through microbes are not simply tales of survival. They are narratives of hope, resilience, and a future where agriculture thrives alongside the natural world. As we continue to delve into the connections between plants and their microbial partners, we uncover new possibilities for nurturing the land and ensuring food security for generations to come. This unfolding narrative reminds us that in the intricate web of life, every organism plays a role, and every interaction has significance. By celebrating the diversity of soil microbes and embracing their vital contributions, we can forge a path toward a more sustainable and harmonious agricultural future. Imagine a world where the whispers of the soil guide us toward practices that honor the life within it, creating a legacy rooted in respect and understanding. Chapter 6: Carbon Sequestration, Microbes and Climate Change. Beneath the layers of soil, an intricate ballet of life unfolds, where microbes play a pivotal role in carbon cycling. These minuscule organisms, often invisible to the naked eye, are nature's unsung heroes, transforming the very air we breathe into a vital resource that nourishes the earth. Carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas known for its role in climate change, is sequestered in the soil by these microorganisms, creating a delicate balance in the ecosystem. Imagine a bustling colony of bacteria breaking down organic material, a process through which carbon is released from decaying leaves and roots. As these microbes consume organic matter, they convert it into forms that can be stored in the soil, effectively locking away carbon for extended periods. This transformation is not merely a chemical process, it is a lifeline for our planet. As the renowned biologist and environmentalist David Suzuki once said, "We need to find a way to live in harmony with nature." In this context, microbes serve as the bridge connecting carbon emissions to the soil, where it can remain sequestered, mitigating the impact of climate change. The activity of these soil microbes is not uniform. It varies significantly based on soil health and composition. Healthy soils, rich in organic matter and microbial diversity, demonstrate a remarkable capacity for carbon storage. Healthy soils function like sponges, absorbing and retaining carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This is achieved through a network of interactions among different microorganisms, where bacteria, fungi, and archaea work together to enhance soil structure. Imagine a thriving ecosystem, where the presence of diverse microbial communities fosters resilience, allowing the soil to capture and store carbon more effectively. As we reflect on the importance of healthy soils, it becomes evident that they are not just passive participants in the carbon cycle. They actively contribute to climate mitigation through various mechanisms. For instance, when soil organic matter decomposes, it releases carbon in a form that can be stabilized within the soil matrix. This stability is crucial, as it prevents carbon from re-entering the atmosphere. Furthermore, the fungal networks mentioned earlier, particularly mycorrhizal fungi, play a significant role in this process. They extend their reach into the soil, allowing plants to access nutrients while simultaneously contributing to carbon sequestration. This mutual benefit highlights the intricate relationships that define our ecosystems. Have you ever wondered how we can enhance the ability of soils to sequester carbon? Several strategies exist to promote microbial activity and, consequently, carbon storage. One effective approach is the integration of cover crops in agricultural practices. Cover crops are planted during off-seasons, providing a protective layer over the soil. This practice not only prevents erosion, but also introduces organic matter that feeds soil microbes, stimulating their activity. As these cover crops decompose, they enrich the soil with carbon, creating a positive feedback loop. Another strategy lies in reducing tillage. Conventional farming often disrupts the soil structure, negatively impacting microbial communities. By minimizing soil disturbance, we allow these microorganisms to thrive, enhancing their capacity to sequester carbon. Imagine a landscape where the soil remains undisturbed, a sanctuary for diverse microbial life, working silently to combat climate change. The role of composting is also significant. Compost is a treasure trove of nutrients, teeming with beneficial microbes. When added to the soil, compost not only improves soil structure, but also boosts microbial populations. This influx of microorganisms accelerates the decomposition of organic matter, resulting in increased carbon storage. It is a simple yet effective practice that underscores the power of nature's recycling system. As we explore the multifaceted interactions between microbes and carbon sequestration, it is essential to acknowledge the groundbreaking work of scientists in this field. Pioneers like Dr. Elaine Ingham have shed light on the importance of soil microbiomes, advocating for practices that support microbial health. Dr. Ingham emphasizes, soil is a living system, and to have healthy plants, we need healthy soils. Her insights resonate deeply, reminding us that the health of our soils is intrinsically linked to our ability to combat climate change. The potential for microbial carbon sequestration is vast, yet it requires a shift in our understanding of soil management. By recognizing the significance of soil microbes in the carbon cycle, we can implement strategies that harness their capabilities. Imagine a future where agricultural practices are redesigned to prioritize microbial health, leading to enhanced carbon storage and healthier ecosystems. As we consider these strategies, it is vital to remember that the path toward effective carbon sequestration is not solely reliant on technology or innovation. It is rooted in the symbiotic relationships that exist within the soil. The delicate balance of life, where microbes, plants, and the environment interact, is essential for sustainable solutions to climate change. By nurturing these relationships, we can create resilient ecosystems capable of withstanding the pressures of a changing climate. The journey toward understanding and enhancing carbon sequestration through microbial activity is one of hope and possibility. Imagine a world where farmers become stewards of the soil, where microbial health is prioritized, and where the balance of nature is respected. This vision is not merely a dream, it is an attainable reality that beckons us to act. As we move forward, let us embrace the potential of soil microbes in our fight against climate change. Each small step we take toward nurturing healthy soils can have profound implications for our planet's future. By recognizing the vital role that microbes play in carbon cycling, we can cultivate a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life and the earth. In this grand narrative of life, soil microbes emerge not just as participants, but as champions in the battle against climate change. Their unyielding efforts to sequester carbon are a testament to the resilience of nature, reminding us that even the smallest beings can have a monumental impact on the world around us. The path ahead is illuminated by the understanding that by caring for our soils, we are ultimately caring for ourselves and generations to come. Imagine the legacy we can leave behind, one where healthy soils and thriving ecosystems are the norm, not the exception. The journey is just beginning, and the potential for positive change is boundless. The intricate relationships within the soil ecosystem extend far beyond mere survival. They are a testament to the resilience of life. Soil microbes, with their diverse functions, play an undeniable role in enhancing carbon sequestration, yet their potential is often overlooked. Imagine a world where soil health is prioritized, where farmers and land stewards recognize that their practices can either nurture or hinder these vital organisms. The choices made in land management can dramatically influence the microbial communities that dwell beneath our feet. Healthy soils, abundant with microbial life, act as living reservoirs of carbon. When soils are well managed, they can capture atmospheric carbon dioxide and convert it into stable forms, effectively removing it from the climate equation. This process is not instantaneous. It unfolds over time, as microorganisms break down organic matter and transform it into stable soil organic carbon. The interplay between soil structure and microbial activity creates an environment conducive to this conversion. Picture a rich, dark soil teeming with life, where the interactions between microbes and organic material cultivate a sanctuary for carbon storage. As we consider the myriad strategies for enhancing microbial carbon sequestration, it's essential to recognize the role of rotational grazing in sustainable agriculture. This practice encourages livestock to graze in a manner that mimics natural herding behavior, allowing pastures to recover and regenerate. When properly managed, rotational grazing can lead to healthier soils, as the manure deposited by grazing animals enriches the microbial community. This nutrient boost promotes the growth of diverse microbial populations, fostering a thriving ecosystem capable of sequestering more carbon. Have you ever thought about the hidden potential of agroforestry? This innovative practice integrates trees and shrubs into agricultural landscapes, creating a polyculture that enhances biodiversity. The presence of trees not only improves soil structure through root systems, but also provides shade and organic matter that benefit soil microbes. As trees shed their leaves, they contribute to the soil organic carbon pool, enriching the soil and promoting further microbial activity. Imagine walking through a vibrant agroforestry system, where diverse plants work in harmony to create a resilient ecosystem, capturing carbon and enhancing soil health. Moreover, the concept of biochar has emerged as a promising tool for enhancing soil carbon storage. Biochar, a form of charcoal produced from biomass, can be added to soils to improve their structure and nutrient availability while simultaneously sequestering carbon. When applied, biochar becomes a habitat for soil microbes, offering them a stable environment to thrive. This not only enhances microbial carbon sequestration, but also improves soil resilience against erosion and nutrient loss. Visualize a landscape enriched with biochar, where the soil is revitalized and the microbial communities flourish, contributing to a healthier planet. The journey of understanding how to maximize microbial contributions to carbon sequestration has been championed by scientists and researchers dedicated to this cause. Among them, Dr. Johannes Lehmann has been a pivotal figure in promoting the benefits of biochar and its role in sustainable soil management. His research highlights not only the potential for carbon sequestration, but also the myriad benefits that biochar brings to soil health. He encourages us to think critically about how we manage our land and the profound effects of our choices on the environment. As we explore these strategies, it becomes clear that enhancing microbial carbon sequestration is not merely a scientific endeavor. It is an ethical responsibility. It calls upon us to reconsider our relationship with the land and to embrace practices that align with the natural rhythms of the earth. Imagine a world where agricultural systems are designed to support the very organisms that sustain life, where every action taken is a step toward healing the planet. The integration of technology into soil management also holds promise for enhancing microbial activity. Precision agriculture utilizes data and technology to optimize farming practices, allowing for targeted applications of nutrients and amendments. By applying these resources judiciously, farmers can support microbial populations without contributing to nutrient runoff or soil degradation. This careful approach fosters a symbiotic relationship between technology and nature, creating an environment in which both can thrive. Have you ever considered the power of education in promoting these practices? Raising awareness about the significance of soil health and microbial activity can inspire individuals and communities to take actionable steps toward sustainability. Workshops, community gardens, and local initiatives can serve as catalysts for change, encouraging a collective movement toward healthier soils. Imagine a community united in its efforts to restore the land, where knowledge is shared and practices are adopted that honor the delicate balance of life. As we delve further into the potential of microbial carbon sequestration, it is crucial to recognize the interconnectedness of our choices and the health of the planet. The actions we take today will echo through generations, shaping the legacy we leave behind. By fostering healthy soils rich in microbial life, we not only combat climate change, but also restore ecosystems and enhance food security. The future of microbial carbon sequestration is bright, filled with possibilities waiting to be realized. It is a journey that invites us to embrace collaboration between farmers and scientists, communities and policymakers, nature and technology. Imagine standing at the forefront of this movement, where every step forward is a commitment to nurturing the earth and its inhabitants. The path is illuminated by the knowledge that, in caring for our soils, we are investing in the well-being of our planet and ourselves. The symphony of life beneath our feet is a powerful reminder of the resilience of nature. Soil microbes, as the unsung heroes of carbon sequestration, beckon us to listen and learn from their intricate processes. The quest for healthier soils and a sustainable future is not a solitary endeavor. It is a collective journey that requires our dedication and compassion. Together, we can cultivate a world where microbial life flourishes, and the bonds between humanity and the earth are strengthened, paving the way for a harmonious existence. Chapter 7: Soil Microbial Communities, Interactions and Dynamics. In the quiet depths of soil, a vast community of microorganisms thrives, each playing a pivotal role in the delicate tapestry of life that sustains our planet. These microbial interactions form the cornerstone of the soil ecosystem, shaping not only the physical environment, but also the very essence of life above ground. Imagine this hidden world where minute organisms interact in a complex web of relationships, each influencing the other in a myriad of ways. The dynamics of these interactions are not merely fascinating. They are fundamental to understanding how ecosystems function. Microbial interactions in the soil can be as diverse as the organisms themselves. Some microbes engage in fierce competition, vying for limited resources such as nutrients and space. This competition can drive evolution, fostering resilience and adaptability within microbial populations. Yet, alongside this rivalry, cooperation abounds. Certain bacteria and fungi form alliances, exchanging nutrients and forming symbiotic relationships that enhance their survival. Picture a scenario where a nitrogen-fixing bacterium, nestled among plant roots, provides essential nitrogen to its host while receiving carbohydrates in return. Such partnerships are vital for sustaining plant health and enhancing soil fertility. Resource sharing is another key aspect of microbial communities. In the soil, where nutrients may be scarce, microbes have developed intricate systems for exchanging resources. Some organisms produce enzymes that break down complex compounds, making nutrients available for others. Imagine a bustling marketplace underground, where microbes barter nutrients and metabolites, ensuring that each organism has what it needs to thrive. This collaborative spirit fosters resilience within the community, allowing it to withstand environmental changes and disturbances. Land use practices significantly influence the composition and dynamics of these microbial communities. The impact of agriculture, urban development, and deforestation can alter the delicate balance that exists in the soil. Conventional farming methods, for instance, often lead to the depletion of diverse microbial populations. The use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides can disrupt the natural interactions among microbes, leading to a decline in soil health. As we envision the landscape, we can see how these changes ripple throughout the ecosystem, affecting not only soil microbes, but also the plants and animals that depend on them. On the other hand, sustainable practices have the potential to restore and enhance microbial diversity. Crop rotation, cover cropping, and reduced tillage can contribute to healthier soil ecosystems. These methods promote the growth of diverse microbial communities, which, in turn, enhance soil structure, nutrient cycling, and disease suppression. Imagine a field where vibrant crops flourish, supported by a rich community of soil microbes working harmoniously beneath the surface. It is a beautiful reminder of the interconnectedness of life. Studying soil microbial diversity requires a combination of innovative techniques and careful observation. Traditional methods, such as culturing microbes in the laboratory, have been valuable, but often provide only a glimpse of the vast diversity present in soil. New molecular techniques, particularly DNA sequencing, allow scientists to explore the genetic makeup of microbial communities directly in their natural environment. This approach uncovers species that were previously undetectable, revealing the hidden complexity of soil life. Imagine researchers using advanced tools to analyze soil samples, unveiling a myriad of microbial identities, each with its unique role in the ecosystem. This genetic insight opens doors to understanding how microbial communities respond to environmental changes, land use practices, and climate variations. With each discovery, we deepen our appreciation for the intricacies of these underground networks. Additionally, metagenomics, the study of genetic material recovered directly from environmental samples, provides a more comprehensive picture of microbial diversity. This technique allows scientists to analyze the entire community of microorganisms, shedding light on their functions, interactions, and evolutionary relationships. As we visualize this process, we can see how it transforms our understanding of soil ecosystems, providing insights that can inform sustainable land management practices. The dynamics of soil microbial communities extend into realms that intersect with human activity and the environment. As we learn from the stories of outstanding individuals in the field, we recognize the importance of their contributions. Researchers and environmental advocates tirelessly work to bridge the gap between scientific knowledge and practical applications. Their efforts are a testament to the belief that understanding microbial interactions can lead to innovative solutions for pressing environmental challenges. In the words of a notable scientist, the future of our planet depends on our ability to understand and appreciate the complex interactions that sustain life. This perspective underscores the urgency of studying soil microbial communities, as they hold the key to unlocking solutions for sustainable agriculture, ecosystem restoration, and climate resilience. Each revelation in soil microbiology brings us closer to a more profound understanding of our planet's health. We are reminded that beneath our feet lies a vibrant world, teeming with life and potential. As we reflect on the interactions and dynamics of soil microbial communities, we can appreciate the beauty of this hidden realm and the vital roles these microorganisms play in supporting life on Earth. The interplay among soil microbes is not merely confined to competition and cooperation. These interactions can also be profoundly influenced by external factors such as land use and environmental conditions. As we consider how human activity shapes microbial communities, we encounter a complex narrative of adaptation and resilience. Land use practices can either disrupt or enhance microbial diversity. For instance, the transition from natural ecosystems to agricultural land often leads to a reduction in microbial diversity. The monocultures prevalent in conventional farming create a less diverse microbial environment, as specific crops tend to favor particular microbial populations. Imagine a once diverse landscape transformed into rows of uniform crops, where the vibrant community of microbes beneath the surface is diminished. This transition can result in a cascade of effects, leading to diminished soil health, reduced fertility, and an increase in susceptibility to pests and diseases. Conversely, regenerative agricultural practices seek to restore and preserve microbial diversity. Techniques such as agroforestry, cover cropping, and organic farming work in harmony with natural systems. Picture a farm where diverse crops flourish alongside natural vegetation, fostering a rich tapestry of microbial life. These practices encourage the growth of a wide range of microorganisms, improving soil structure and nutrient cycling. In this vibrant setting, microbes not only thrive but also contribute to increased resilience against environmental stressors, such as drought or disease outbreaks. The impact of land use extends beyond the immediate microbial community. It reverberates through the entire ecosystem, affecting plant health, wildlife, and even the air we breathe. When we consider the interconnectedness of life, it becomes clear that the choices we make in land management resonate deeply within the soil. Sustainable practices act as a beacon of hope, illustrating that it is possible to foster a thriving microbial community that supports both human needs and ecological balance. To truly understand soil microbial diversity, scientists employ a variety of techniques that unveil the secrets hidden within the soil. Traditional culturing methods, while informative, often provide a limited view of the microbial diversity present. Imagine a world where only a small fraction of the population is observed, leaving the majority unseen and unappreciated. This is where modern molecular techniques come into play, revolutionizing our understanding of soil life. Next-generation sequencing technologies allow researchers to explore the genetic diversity of microbial communities without the need for culturing. By analyzing soil samples directly, scientists can identify previously unknown microbial species, expanding our knowledge of the complex web of life beneath our feet. As we envision this process, we can begin to appreciate the vastness of microbial life that exists, each organism playing an indispensable role in the ecosystem. Metagenomics, a powerful tool for studying the genetic material of entire microbial communities, provides further insights into their functions and interactions. This technique allows researchers to examine the collective genome of the community, revealing not only who is present, but also what they can do. Imagine a microbial symphony where each organism contributes its unique melody to the overall harmony. By understanding these genetic blueprints, scientists can uncover the ecological roles of different microbes, enhancing our knowledge of nutrient cycling, disease suppression, and even carbon sequestration. The study of microbial diversity also invites us to reflect on the implications for biodiversity conservation. As we learn more about microbial interactions, the importance of preserving diverse microbial communities becomes clear. Biodiversity within the soil is not just an abstract concept. It is a lifeline for ecosystems and a safeguard against environmental change. Each microbe contributes to the resilience of the system, ensuring that the soil can adapt and thrive in the face of challenges. In the realm of soil microbiology, we find stories of remarkable individuals who have dedicated their lives to advancing our understanding of these tiny organisms. One such pioneer, who has left an indelible mark on the field, speaks of the interconnectedness of life. The more we learn about the microbial world, the more we realize how intimately connected it is to our own existence. This profound insight reminds us that our fate is intertwined with the health of the soil and the microbial communities within it. As we delve into the intricate relationships that define soil microbial communities, we are reminded of the delicate balance that sustains life. Each interaction, each competition, and each cooperation is part of a larger narrative that reflects the resilience and adaptability of these microorganisms. In this hidden world, where life flourishes in the shadows, we find not just the foundation of ecosystems, but the very essence of life itself. The journey to understand soil microbial dynamics is ongoing, filled with discoveries that continually reshape our perspectives. As we explore the depths of this fascinating realm, we are invited to consider our role in nurturing these vital ecosystems. Can we foster practices that support microbial diversity and health? By engaging with the soil and its inhabitants, we can contribute to a sustainable future where both nature and humanity thrive in harmony. As we ponder these questions, we are reminded of the transformative power of knowledge and the responsibility we bear to protect the intricate web of life beneath our feet. As we turn our attention to the intricate methods employed to explore soil microbial diversity, we find ourselves at the intersection of technology and ecology. The evolution of scientific techniques has illuminated the hidden life within the soil, enhancing our understanding of these complex microbial communities. Imagine a scientist in a laboratory, surrounded by soil samples, equipped with advanced sequencing technology that can unlock the genetic secrets of countless microorganisms. This transformative approach empowers researchers to delve into the diversity of life beneath our feet with unprecedented clarity. One such method is high-throughput sequencing, which allows for the rapid analysis of microbial DNA. This process enables scientists to capture a snapshot of the entire microbial community present in a given sample. Picture a vibrant mural where each color represents a different species, contributing to a larger picture of biodiversity. As researchers analyze the sequences collected, they can identify previously unrecognized species, expanding our knowledge of soil life and its functions. This technique not only reveals who is living in the soil, but also sheds light on the roles these organisms play in nutrient cycling, disease suppression, and ecosystem resilience. Additionally, the use of stable isotope probing serves as a fascinating tool for understanding microbial interactions and functions. By tracing the movement of isotopes, scientists can determine which microbes are actively participating in specific processes, such as carbon fixation or nutrient transformation. Imagine a detective uncovering clues in a mystery, piecing together the roles of different microbes in the grand narrative of soil ecology. This insight is crucial for understanding how microbial communities respond to various environmental changes, such as shifts in land use or climate variations. Throughout history, remarkable individuals have dedicated their lives to the study of soil microbiology, advancing our understanding of these vital ecosystems. Their stories are woven with passion and curiosity, highlighting the importance of microbial communities in sustaining life on Earth. For instance, the work of those investigating the relationships between soil health and agricultural practices has shown us that nurturing microbial diversity is essential for food security and environmental sustainability. As we reflect on these contributions, we recognize that our understanding of soil microbial dynamics is not just an academic pursuit. It has real-world implications. The knowledge gained from studying these microorganisms can inform sustainable agricultural practices, enhancing crop productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Picture a future where farmers, equipped with the understanding of microbial interactions, cultivate land that is not only productive, but also resilient to climate change. Moreover, the study of soil microbial communities offers a window into the past. By analyzing ancient soils, scientists can reconstruct historical ecosystems and understand how they responded to climatic shifts over millennia. This perspective can inform current conservation efforts, guiding us in our quest to protect and restore the biodiversity that sustains life. The intricate relationships among soil microbes are a testament to the resilience of life. As we explore these dynamics, we can envision a world where the health of our soils is prioritized, fostering a deep connection between humanity and the ecosystems we inhabit. Each microbial interaction, each community member, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of life. As we contemplate our impact on these systems, we are reminded that our actions can either nurture or disrupt the delicate harmony that exists within the soil. In this journey of discovery, we find ourselves not just as observers, but as participants in the ongoing narrative of life beneath our feet. By embracing sustainable practices and fostering an appreciation for microbial diversity, we can contribute to a future where both nature and humanity thrive in unison. The story of soil microbial communities is far from complete. It continues to unfold, revealing new chapters that inspire hope and highlight the interconnectedness of all living things. Chapter 8: Human Impact on Soil Microbes, Threats and Solutions. The relationship between human activity and soil microbial health is a delicate balance, one that has been profoundly affected by modern agriculture and pollution. As we engage in practices designed to enhance productivity, we often overlook the silent yet powerful organisms that dwell beneath our feet. Imagine the soil as a complex ecosystem, where each microbe plays a vital role, contributing to the health and vitality of plants and, ultimately, the food we consume. Yet, this vibrant community faces numerous threats that can disrupt its intricate balance. Agricultural practices, while essential for feeding a growing population, have led to significant changes in soil health. Intensive farming methods often rely on chemical fertilizers and pesticides, introduced to increase crop yields. These substances, however, do not discriminate. They affect not only the targeted pests, but also the diverse microbial populations that are crucial for maintaining soil health. The use of synthetic chemicals disrupts the natural processes that have evolved over millennia, leading to a decline in microbial diversity. Imagine the soil as a bustling city where the introduction of pollutants forces some inhabitants into exile, leaving behind a weakened community that struggles to thrive. The imbalance created by chemicals can have far-reaching consequences. Nutrient cycling, a process vital to soil health, becomes impaired when beneficial microbes are diminished. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria, essential for converting atmospheric nitrogen into forms that plants can utilize, may decline in number. This decline can lead to nutrient deficiencies in crops, necessitating even more chemical inputs to compensate for the lost ecosystem services. Picture a cycle of dependency that spirals into a cycle of degradation. Pollution extends beyond agricultural chemicals. Urbanization, industrial waste, and climate change all contribute to the degradation of soil ecosystems. Heavy metals, microplastics, and other contaminants infiltrate the soil, creating hostile environments for microbes. The delicate relationships that govern nutrient exchange, disease suppression, and organic matter decomposition are compromised. It is akin to a well-functioning orchestra suddenly losing its conductor, leading to discord and chaos. Despite these challenges, there is hope. Restoration practices can enhance microbial communities and revive the health of our soils. Imagine fields where cover crops flourish, their roots intertwining with the soil, creating a haven for beneficial microbes. These plants not only protect the soil from erosion, but also contribute organic matter that enriches the soil, providing a buffet for microbes. The result is a vibrant microbial community that thrives on the nutrients released from decomposing plant materials. Another innovative practice gaining traction is the use of organic amendments, such as compost and biochar. These materials not only enrich the soil with nutrients, but also improve its structure, creating a more hospitable environment for microbial life. By reintroducing organic matter into the soil, we help to rekindle the microbial communities that have been diminished by years of chemical use. Envision a soil rich in organic matter, bustling with life, as microbes engage in their age-old roles of decomposition and nutrient cycling. Sustainable land management practices are crucial for the long-term health of soil ecosystems. These practices emphasize the importance of maintaining soil cover, minimizing disturbance, and fostering biodiversity. Crop rotation and agroforestry are two methods that can significantly enhance microbial diversity and resilience. Crop rotation disrupts pest cycles and improves soil fertility, while agroforestry integrates trees and shrubs into agricultural systems, providing habitats for diverse microbial communities. As we consider the future of our agricultural systems, we must ask ourselves, how can we align our practices with the natural processes that sustain life? The answer lies in adopting a holistic approach that recognizes the interconnectedness of soil health, microbial communities, and agricultural productivity. By prioritizing sustainable practices, we can cultivate soils that are not only productive, but also resilient to the pressures of pollution and climate change. The journey toward restoring microbial health in our soils is not just about mitigating threats. It is also about fostering a deeper understanding of the vital roles that these microorganisms play in our ecosystems. As we strive to enhance soil health, we must remember that every action we take has a ripple effect. The restoration of microbial communities is a pathway to healthier ecosystems, capable of supporting diverse plant life and providing essential services for generations to come. In this light, the significance of microbial health becomes increasingly clear. It is not merely an environmental concern. It is a matter of food security and ecological stability. When we nurture the life beneath our feet, we are investing in a future where humanity can thrive alongside nature. The idea that we can heal our soils, replenish microbial communities, and restore balance is an empowering one, urging us to take action in the face of adversity. As we navigate the complexities of modern agriculture and pollution, we can draw inspiration from the resilience of nature. The earth has an innate ability to recover, given the right conditions and care. By embracing sustainable practices and prioritizing microbial health, we can sow the seeds for a flourishing future, where the Earth's richness is preserved for all life forms. Imagine the possibilities: thriving ecosystems, abundant harvests, and a planet that breathes with vitality. This vision is within our reach if we commit to understanding and protecting the unseen world of soil microbes. The choices we make today will shape the landscapes of tomorrow, reminding us that every small effort contributes to a larger movement toward healing our planet. The journey may be long, but the rewards are boundless, inviting us to become stewards of the soil and champions of microbial life. The intricate relationship between agriculture and microbial health unfolds like an ever-evolving narrative, where each chapter brings new challenges and opportunities. As we explore the impacts of chemical fertilizers and pollutants, we must also acknowledge the remarkable resilience of soil microbes. These tiny organisms have adapted over millennia, developing strategies to survive in the face of adversity. However, the modern agricultural landscape, with its heavy reliance on chemicals, poses significant risks to these adaptive capabilities. The introduction of synthetic fertilizers can be likened to a double-edged sword. While they provide immediate boosts to crop growth, they can inadvertently create a hostile environment for beneficial microbes. Imagine a garden nourished by an array of colorful blooms, yet overshadowed by a toxic cloud. The synthetic nutrients may foster certain plant growth, but simultaneously suppress the diverse microbial communities that naturally contribute to soil health. The result is a dependency on chemical inputs, a cycle that can leave soils depleted and vulnerable. As we ponder the role of chemicals in agriculture, it is essential to recognize the lasting effects of these substances on the microbial communities that underpin soil health. High concentrations of nitrates, for instance, can lead to the leaching of essential minerals, disrupting the delicate balance that sustains life in the soil. This disruption can manifest in decreased microbial diversity, leaving ecosystems less resilient to stressors such as drought or disease. Have you ever considered how a lack of diversity among soil microbes can mirror the fragility of monoculture farming? Just as diverse ecosystems are better equipped to weather storms, so too are diverse microbial communities better suited to support plant health and soil integrity. Yet, within these challenges lie pathways to restoration. As we embrace sustainable practices, we can enhance microbial communities and rejuvenate our soils. One powerful approach is the implementation of regenerative agriculture, a methodology focused on restoring and maintaining soil health. Picture fields where farmers cultivate diverse crops, interspersed with cover crops that enrich the soil and provide habitats for beneficial microbes. These practices not only improve soil structure and fertility, but also foster a vibrant microbial community that contributes to nutrient cycling and disease suppression. Composting is another compelling tool in the restoration toolbox. By recycling organic waste into nutrient-rich compost, we can reintroduce vital organic matter back into the soil. This organic matter serves as a feast for soil microbes, promoting their growth and activity. Imagine a thriving ecosystem where the decomposition of plant materials transforms into a nurturing environment for the very organisms that sustain life. The synergy created through composting not only improves soil health, but also enhances the resilience of agricultural systems against the pressures of climate change and pollution. As we consider the importance of sustainable land management, we must also reflect on the roles that farmers and land stewards play in this narrative. Visionaries like Masanobu Fukuoka, known for his natural farming philosophy, championed the idea of working in harmony with nature rather than imposing artificial systems. His approach emphasizes minimal disturbance of the soil and the cultivation of diverse crops to foster a vibrant microbial ecosystem. Fukuoka's wisdom reminds us that, when we allow nature to guide our practices, we unlock the potential for restoration and balance. The importance of biodiversity extends beyond the microbial realm. It resonates throughout the entire agricultural landscape. By promoting polycultures and agroecological approaches, we can enhance the resilience of both soil and crops. This interconnectedness invites us to consider the larger picture. How can our farming choices contribute to a healthier planet? The answer lies in acknowledging that every seed sown and every amendment applied has the potential to impact the microbial communities that dwell within the soil. The role of cover crops extends into the realm of soil conservation, protecting the soil surface from erosion while simultaneously nourishing microbial life. Picture a blanket of green where diverse plants take root, their roots reaching deep into the earth. This living cover not only shields the soil from harsh weather, but also creates a dynamic environment that promotes the activity of soil microbes. As these plants grow and decay, they contribute organic matter that enriches the soil, fostering a vibrant microbial community ready to support future crops. Moreover, the adoption of agroforestry practices can enhance microbial diversity by integrating trees into agricultural landscapes. Trees offer shade, reduce soil erosion, and create microclimates that support a variety of life forms. The roots of these trees form symbiotic relationships with mycorrhizal fungi, enhancing nutrient acquisition for both trees and adjacent crops. Have you ever envisioned a landscape where the symbiosis between trees and crops creates a thriving ecosystem? Such arrangements not only improve soil health, but also contribute to carbon sequestration, aiding in the fight against climate change. As we forge ahead into the future, the importance of education and awareness cannot be overstated. Farmers, researchers, and consumers alike must work together to cultivate a deeper understanding of the intricate relationships between soil health, microbial communities, and sustainable practices. By fostering a culture of stewardship and encouraging collaborative efforts, we can inspire a new generation of land managers dedicated to preserving the delicate balance between agriculture and nature. In this journey, the potential for innovation is boundless. Emerging technologies, such as precision agriculture and data-driven soil management, can provide insights into the health of microbial communities. Imagine harnessing the power of technology to monitor soil health in real time, allowing for informed decisions that support microbial diversity and resilience. These advancements can empower farmers to adopt practices that align with the natural rhythms of the soil, ultimately leading to healthier ecosystems and abundant harvests. As we reflect on the interconnectedness of soil health and human well-being, it becomes evident that our choices have far-reaching implications. By prioritizing sustainable land management practices, we lay the groundwork for a future where soil microbes thrive. Each step taken toward enhancing microbial communities is a step toward ecological balance, food security, and a more resilient planet. The path ahead is illuminated by the possibilities of regeneration, inviting us to embrace our role as caretakers of the soil, nurturing the very foundation of life on Earth. Chapter 9: Innovations in Soil Microbiology, Tools and Technologies. In the evolving realm of soil microbiology, the advent of new research methods has ushered in a period of unprecedented discovery. Imagine a world where microscopic life forms, previously hidden from our view, are now unveiled with remarkable clarity. Advances in microbial ecology research methods have equipped scientists with the ability to explore the soil's intricate web of life like never before. Techniques such as metagenomics and high-throughput sequencing allow researchers to capture the genetic blueprints of entire microbial communities in a single sample, revealing the diversity and functionality of soil microbes. Consider the implications of this technological leap. With these tools, researchers can identify not only the species present in the soil, but also the roles they play within their ecosystems. This is akin to opening a book that had long been closed, revealing chapters filled with stories of cooperation, competition, and adaptation. By understanding these dynamics, we can better appreciate how microbial communities respond to environmental changes, agricultural practices, and even climate fluctuations. One of the most transformative methods in this field is DNA sequencing, which has revolutionized our understanding of soil microbes. Picture a tiny strand of DNA, a molecular signature that tells the story of a microorganism's lineage and function. With sequencing technology, scientists can decode these strands, unraveling the mysteries of microbial identity and their interactions within the soil matrix. This wealth of information illuminates how microbes contribute to nutrient cycling, disease suppression, and even carbon sequestration, all vital processes that support the health of our planet. As we delve further into the world of soil microbes, we encounter a myriad of biotechnological applications that harness their powers for agricultural advancement. Imagine the potential of using specific microbial strains to enhance crop productivity, a dream that is steadily becoming a reality. For instance, certain bacteria have shown promise in increasing nitrogen availability for plants, while others can facilitate phosphorus uptake. The application of these microbes as biofertilizers offers a sustainable alternative to chemical fertilizers, promoting soil health and reducing environmental impact. Prominent figures in the realm of soil microbiology, such as Dr. James White, have emphasized the importance of microbial interactions in agriculture. He stated, "We are realizing that the soil is a complex ecosystem in which plants and microbes are engaged in a continuous dialogue. This dialogue is essential for optimizing plant growth and resilience, especially in the face of climate change and resource scarcity. By tapping into the natural capabilities of soil microbes, we can create agricultural systems that are not only productive, but also sustainable and harmonious with the environment." As we look to the future, exciting trends in soil microbiome research are on the horizon. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning in analyzing soil data holds the promise of uncovering even deeper insights into microbial communities. Imagine algorithms designed to predict microbial responses to various agricultural practices or environmental changes, enabling farmers to make informed decisions that bolster both crop yields and soil health. Furthermore, the exploration of the soil microbiome's role in human health is gaining momentum. The connection between soil health and food quality is becoming clearer, as the nutrients and compounds produced by soil microbes can influence the nutritional profile of crops. This realization invites us to consider the broader implications of soil microbiology, not only for agriculture, but for global health as well. The journey of discovery in soil microbiology is ongoing, as researchers continue to push the boundaries of our understanding. With each new tool and technology, we gain insights that can reshape our approach to agriculture, conservation, and environmental stewardship. As we embrace these innovations, we step closer to a future where we can cultivate our land in ways that honor the complex relationships between soil, microbes, and the ecosystems they support. Imagine the soil as a living library, each microbe a book filled with knowledge and potential. The stories within these pages are waiting to be read and understood, offering guidance on how to nurture not only our crops, but the very foundation of life on Earth. With every advancement in soil microbiology, we unlock the secrets that can lead to a more sustainable relationship with our planet, ensuring that the vibrant life beneath our feet continues to flourish for generations to come. The advancements in microbial ecology research methods are not only refining our understanding of soil microbes, but also enhancing their applications in agriculture. As we explore the realm of DNA sequencing further, it is essential to acknowledge its implications beyond mere identification. Sequencing technologies have paved the way for the study of functional genes within microbial communities, providing insights into their metabolic capabilities. Imagine a treasure map where each marker indicates a unique function or trait that certain microbes possess. This knowledge is invaluable. It allows for targeted interventions in agricultural practices, enabling farmers to tailor their approaches based on the specific microbial profiles present in their soil. Consider the potential of employing microbial biomarkers to assess soil health. Just as a doctor relies on specific indicators to diagnose a patient's health, agronomists can utilize these microbial signatures to evaluate soil conditions. For instance, the presence of particular bacteria might indicate a thriving nitrogen cycle, while a deficiency in certain microbial populations could signal impending nutrient imbalances. This approach empowers farmers to adopt practices that not only boost yields, but also nurture the very foundation of their agricultural systems. In the exciting arena of biotechnological applications, researchers are harnessing the power of soil microbes to develop bio-based solutions for pest management. Imagine a world where farmers can reduce their reliance on synthetic pesticides by utilizing beneficial microbes that naturally deter pests. For example, certain strains of Bacillus thuringiensis produce proteins toxic to specific insects while remaining harmless to beneficial organisms. This biocontrol method exemplifies the potential of soil microbes to act as nature's own pest deterrents, preserving the delicate balance of agricultural ecosystems. Moreover, the exploration of mycorrhizal fungi continues to reveal profound implications for sustainable agriculture. These fungi not only enhance nutrient uptake for plants, but also improve soil structure and water retention. Imagine a scenario where a farmer cultivates crops alongside mycorrhizal partners, resulting in healthier plants that require less water and fertilizer. This symbiotic relationship exemplifies how harnessing natural microbial processes can lead to more resilient agricultural systems, especially in regions facing water scarcity or nutrient-depleted soils. The future of soil microbiome research is indeed promising, moving beyond traditional methodologies to embrace innovative technologies and interdisciplinary approaches. As scientists continue to unravel the complexity of microbial interactions, the integration of omics technologies, such as proteomics and metabolomics, will provide new layers of understanding. Picture a multidimensional puzzle where each piece represents a different aspect of microbial life. By bringing together data from various omic fields, researchers can construct a more comprehensive picture of the microbial world, illuminating the connections between microbial diversity, ecosystem functions, and agricultural productivity. As we consider the implications of these advancements, the focus on the microbiome's role in human health emerges as a significant avenue of exploration. The health of the soil is intrinsically linked to the health of the crops it produces, and, ultimately, to human well-being. Imagine a future where agricultural practices prioritize not only yield, but also the nutritional quality of food. By fostering microbial diversity in the soil, farmers may enhance the nutritional profile of crops, leading to healthier diets for communities around the globe. The convergence of soil microbiology with other scientific disciplines, such as environmental science and public health, will facilitate a holistic understanding of the intricate relationships that define our ecosystems. As we strive for sustainable solutions to pressing global challenges, the insights gained from soil microbiome research will be invaluable. For example, understanding how soil health influences carbon sequestration can provide critical information for climate change mitigation strategies. Imagine farmers not only producing food, but also actively contributing to the reduction of atmospheric carbon levels through enhanced soil microbial activity. In this rapidly evolving landscape, collaboration among researchers, farmers, and policymakers will be essential. The sharing of knowledge and best practices can lead to the development of innovative strategies that support both agricultural productivity and environmental sustainability. Imagine a global network of soil microbiologists, agronomists, and farmers working together, exchanging ideas, and fostering a deeper understanding of the microbial world. This collaborative spirit could transform agricultural practices, paving the way for a new era of stewardship that honors the intricate relationships between soil, microbes, and the life they sustain. As we continue to explore the innovations in soil microbiology, the potential for positive change is immense. Each discovery, each technological advancement, brings us closer to a future where we can cultivate our land in harmony with nature's principles. The stories of soil microbes are far from over. They are just beginning to unfold. With every new insight, we find ourselves standing on the brink of a revolution in how we perceive and interact with the world beneath our feet. Imagine the possibilities that lie ahead as we unlock the secrets of soil microbiology and harness its potential for a sustainable future. The exploration of soil microbiomes has given rise to a multitude of exciting biotechnological applications, particularly in the realm of agriculture. As we witness the increasing pressures on our food systems due to climate change and population growth, the promise of harnessing soil microbes becomes ever more critical. Imagine a future where farmers turn to nature's own defenders, employing microbial solutions to enhance plant resilience and yield. This vision is being realized through innovative approaches that utilize the natural abilities of soil microorganisms. One such application is the development of microbial inoculants. These are live microorganisms that, when introduced to the soil, can boost plant health and productivity. Imagine applying a tailored blend of beneficial bacteria and fungi directly to crops, creating a living shield that protects against pests and diseases while improving nutrient availability. Research has shown that these inoculants can promote root growth, enabling plants to explore a greater volume of soil for nutrients and water. This is akin to providing a plant with a team of dedicated helpers, each working tirelessly to ensure its success. The potential of soil microbes is not limited to direct interactions with plants. Their biochemical capabilities can be harnessed for bioremediation, the process of using living organisms to clean up contaminated environments. Picture a scenario where microbes are employed to detoxify soils polluted with heavy metals or pesticides. Certain bacteria have the remarkable ability to metabolize these harmful substances, effectively breaking them down into harmless components. This transformative process not only restores soil health, but also enhances its ability to support vibrant ecosystems once more. As we gaze into the future of soil microbiome research, the integration of data science emerges as a game changer. The application of machine learning and artificial intelligence can facilitate unprecedented insights into microbial communities. Imagine algorithms analyzing vast datasets collected from soil samples, revealing patterns that were previously invisible to researchers. These insights could lead to predictive models that inform agricultural practices, allowing farmers to adapt their strategies to the ever-changing landscape of climate and soil health. Moreover, the use of citizen science in soil microbiology is gaining momentum. Enthusiastic individuals and communities are beginning to engage in soil sampling and microbiome analysis, contributing valuable data to the scientific community. Imagine local farmers, schoolchildren, and nature enthusiasts collaborating to map microbial diversity in their regions. This grassroots approach not only enhances our understanding of soil health, but also fosters a deeper connection between people and the land they cultivate. The exploration of the human microbiome has also sparked interest in the parallels between soil and human health. Just as the diversity of microorganisms in our gut is essential for maintaining well-being, the health of soil microbiomes is critical for producing nutritious food. This interconnectedness invites us to consider how agricultural practices can be designed to support both soil health and human health outcomes. The implications are profound. By fostering microbial diversity in our soils, we may ultimately enhance the nutrient density of the crops we consume, contributing to healthier diets and communities. As we stand on the precipice of discovery, the future of soil microbiology is brimming with possibilities. Each innovation, every new technique, propels us closer to a holistic understanding of the intricate relationships that define our ecosystems. The promise of these advancements lies not only in their potential to increase agricultural efficiency, but also in their capacity to promote sustainability and environmental stewardship. Imagine a world where our farming practices are in perfect harmony with the natural rhythms of the soil, where every seed sown is a testament to our commitment to nurturing the very foundation of life itself. In this unfolding narrative, the stories of soil microbes weave through the fabric of our existence, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains us all. Embracing these innovations allows us to honor the profound connections between the microscopic and the macroscopic, the soil and the sky, the farmer and the earth. As we continue to explore the depths of soil microbiology, we unlock the potential for a future that is as rich and diverse as the life it sustains. Chapter 10: The Future of Soil Health, Microbes and Sustainability. As we look toward the horizon of sustainable agriculture, the integration of microbial health emerges as a cornerstone of future practices. Imagine a vast expanse of farmland, where every inch of soil pulsates with life, a thriving community of microbes working diligently to create an environment that nurtures crops. This vision is not merely aspirational. It is becoming increasingly essential in a world challenged by climate change, population growth, and diminishing natural resources. Sustainable agriculture aims to meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This approach recognizes that soil is more than just a medium for plant growth. It is a living entity, teeming with microorganisms that play critical roles in nutrient cycling, disease resistance, and soil structure. By fostering microbial health within agricultural systems, we can enhance soil fertility and resilience, ultimately leading to more sustainable food production. Imagine farmers adopting practices that prioritize microbial diversity. Crop rotation, reduced tillage, and organic amendments are methods that can enhance the microbial community. Each crop introduction can provide different nutrients and habitats, encouraging a diverse array of microbes to thrive. This diversity is vital, as a rich microbial community can more effectively break down organic matter, sequester carbon, and suppress soil-borne diseases. Consider the work of pioneering agriculturalists who have embraced regenerative practices. They have witnessed firsthand the transformation of degraded soils into vibrant ecosystems. These farmers are not simply growing crops, they are nurturing a complex web of life that sustains their harvests. By understanding and integrating the needs of soil microbes into their farming practices, they create a symbiotic relationship that benefits both the land and the people who depend on it. Education and awareness play pivotal roles in promoting soil health. Imagine a classroom filled with eager students, their minds buzzing with curiosity about the hidden world beneath their feet. When individuals are empowered with knowledge about soil microbiology, they become crucial advocates for sustainable practices. Schools, universities, and community programs can serve as platforms for disseminating knowledge about the significance of soil health, encouraging a new generation to appreciate the intricate connections between soil, microbes, and the environment. Community outreach initiatives have emerged, connecting farmers, scientists, and the public in a shared mission. Workshops and seminars can provide hands-on experiences, allowing participants to observe microbial activity firsthand. By fostering a sense of stewardship for the land, we cultivate a culture of sustainability that transcends generations. However, education must extend beyond individual practices to influence policy implications for soil management and conservation. Policymakers have a vital role in shaping the future of soil health. Imagine a world where legislation supports regenerative agriculture, incentivizing farmers to adopt practices that enhance microbial diversity. Policies that promote sustainable land use and conservation can provide the framework for a healthier soil ecosystem. Current agricultural policies often prioritize productivity over ecological health, leading to practices that degrade soil quality. By shifting the focus towards soil health, we can create frameworks that encourage practices benefiting both the environment and agricultural output. Imagine government programs that provide financial support for farmers transitioning to organic methods, supporting research into microbial health, and promoting the use of cover crops and reduced tillage practices. Investing in soil health is not just an environmental concern, it is an economic one. Healthy soils lead to increased crop yields and reduced reliance on chemical inputs, ultimately benefiting farmers' bottom lines. Policymakers must recognize the long-term benefits of investing in soil health, framing it as a critical component of national food security and environmental sustainability. Looking toward the future, the field of soil microbiology is ripe for innovation and research. Imagine laboratories buzzing with scientists dedicated to uncovering the mysteries of soil microbes. With advancements in technology, researchers can delve deeper into the complexities of microbial communities, unlocking their potential to enhance agricultural practices. Future research could focus on the development of microbial inoculants tailored for specific crops and environments. These inoculants, containing beneficial microbes, could be introduced to soils to promote plant growth, nutrient uptake, and disease resistance. Picture farmers applying these innovative solutions, witnessing crops flourish as microbial partners work tirelessly in the background. Moreover, ongoing studies will likely explore the interactions between soil microbes and climate change. As we grapple with rising temperatures and shifting precipitation patterns, understanding how microbial communities adapt to these changes will be critical. Imagine research initiatives that investigate how specific microbes can enhance soil carbon sequestration, potentially mitigating the effects of climate change while improving soil health. Collaboration among scientists, farmers, and policymakers will be essential to driving forward the research agenda in soil microbiology. Think of interdisciplinary teams working together to tackle the challenges facing agriculture today. By combining expertise from various fields, we can create holistic solutions that address the complexities of soil health, agricultural productivity, and environmental sustainability. As we embrace this vision for the future of soil health, we must remember that the journey begins with understanding and appreciating the intricate world of soil microbes. These tiny organisms, often overlooked, hold the key to a sustainable and resilient agricultural system. Imagine a future where every farmer recognizes the importance of their microbial allies, where education and policy converge to create a supportive environment for microbial health. This future is not merely a dream. It is a possibility that lies within our reach. By prioritizing the health of our soils, we can cultivate a thriving ecosystem that nourishes not only plants and animals, but also humanity itself. The time has come to acknowledge the profound impact of soil microbes on our environment and to embrace sustainable practices that honor their existence. Together, we can usher in a new era of agricultural stewardship, one that cherishes the life hidden beneath our feet and recognizes its essential role in shaping a sustainable future. As we envision a future where microbial health is seamlessly woven into sustainable agricultural practices, we must also consider the vital role of education and community engagement. Imagine farmers gathering in local forums, exchanging ideas and experiences about soil management techniques, each person contributing a thread to the shared fabric of knowledge. This collaborative spirit fosters a collective awareness that transcends individual practices, creating a movement that uplifts the entire community. The importance of integrating soil health education into agricultural curricula cannot be overstated. Schools and universities have the potential to cultivate a new generation of farmers who are not only knowledgeable about crops, but also about the ecosystems that support them. Picture students exploring soil samples under microscopes, observing the bustling life within. This hands-on experience can ignite a passion for sustainability, inspiring future generations to prioritize soil health as an essential component of their agricultural practices. Furthermore, community workshops can serve as a bridge between scientists and local farmers, where research findings are translated into practical applications. Imagine experts sharing insights into the latest microbial research, demonstrating how specific practices can enhance soil health. These interactions can empower farmers to adopt innovative strategies, leading to improved yields and greater resilience against climate impacts. Equally important are the policy implications that arise from the increasing recognition of soil health. Imagine policymakers drafting regulations that prioritize sustainable land management, recognizing the intrinsic link between soil health and agricultural productivity. Such policies could incentivize farmers to adopt practices that foster microbial diversity, such as cover cropping and organic farming. Consider the potential for government-backed initiatives that provide financial support for those transitioning to regenerative practices. By offering grants and subsidies, we can encourage the adoption of methods that not only restore soil health, but also enhance biodiversity and combat climate change. This vision calls for a shift in our approach to agriculture, where investment in soil health is viewed as a long-term strategy for food security and environmental sustainability. As we look toward the horizon of research and innovation in soil microbiology, the possibilities are vast. Imagine scientific breakthroughs that reveal the intricate relationships between soil microbes and plant growth, leading to the development of crops that thrive in diverse conditions. Future research may focus on harnessing the power of specific microbial communities to enhance soil carbon sequestration, creating a natural buffer against climate change. Picture a cutting-edge laboratory where scientists are isolating and characterizing unique microbial strains capable of improving soil fertility. These microbes could be integrated into agricultural practices, enabling farmers to reduce their reliance on chemical fertilizers while maximizing crop yields. The potential for biotechnological advancements in soil microbiology is immense, and it beckons us to explore the uncharted territories of microbial interactions. Moreover, interdisciplinary research initiatives that combine the expertise of agronomists, microbiologists, and climate scientists will be crucial in addressing the challenges of modern agriculture. Imagine collaborative studies that investigate how soil microbes respond to varying climatic conditions, providing insights into how we can adapt our farming practices in an era of uncertainty. As we cultivate curiosity and inquiry in this field, we open doors to innovations that could redefine our relationship with the soil. Imagine a world where every farmer is equipped with the knowledge to leverage the power of soil microbes, resulting in a harmonious coexistence between agriculture and the environment. The future of soil health is bright, yet it hinges on our commitment to understanding and nurturing the microbial communities that sustain our ecosystems. By integrating education, policy, and research, we can forge a path toward a sustainable agricultural future that not only meets our current needs, but ensures the well-being of generations to come. In this journey, we must remain vigilant stewards of the earth, recognizing that our actions today will echo into the future. The vibrant world of soil microbes, often overlooked, holds the key to unlocking sustainable agricultural practices that honor the delicate balance of life. As we embrace this vision, let us remember that by nurturing our soils, we are ultimately nurturing ourselves and the planet we call home. Each step we take toward understanding the complexity of soil health is a step toward a more resilient and sustainable future for all. As we envision the future of soil health, the role of education and awareness becomes increasingly vital. Imagine a world where individuals of all ages are equipped with a profound understanding of the significance of soil microbiology. This shift in perspective can empower communities to take actionable steps towards sustainable practices. Schools, community gardens, and local organizations can serve as hubs of knowledge, fostering a culture that values and nurtures the life beneath our feet. Picture children exploring their backyards, digging into the soil, and marveling at the tiny organisms that exist within it. This simple act can ignite a lifelong passion for the environment, encouraging the next generation to advocate for soil health. Initiatives that incorporate hands-on learning experiences, such as soil testing and microbe observation, can bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. Furthermore, the integration of soil health into community outreach programs can forge connections between scientists and local farmers, cultivating a spirit of collaboration. Workshops and field days can bring together diverse stakeholders, allowing them to share insights and success stories. Imagine farmers exchanging their experiences with regenerative practices, inspiring others to adopt similar strategies that enhance microbial diversity and improve soil health. Policy implications are equally essential in this unfolding narrative. Governments can play a significant role by prioritizing the health of soils in agricultural policies. Imagine legislation that supports sustainable practices, providing incentives for farmers who embrace methods that foster microbial communities. Such policies can create a framework that not only protects the environment, but also promotes agricultural resilience. Consider the potential for financial support aimed at assisting farmers transitioning to organic methods. By removing barriers to entry, policymakers can encourage a broader adoption of practices that enhance soil health. In this vision, government programs could offer grants for research into microbial health and its benefits, ensuring that scientific advancements translate into real-world applications. As we continue to explore the frontiers of soil microbiology, the future beckons with promise. Imagine research labs bustling with innovative scientists, dedicated to unraveling the complexities of microbial ecosystems. Their work could unveil new insights into how specific microbes interact with plants, leading to the development of tailored microbial inoculants. These solutions can enhance not just nutrient uptake, but also disease resistance, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both crops and the soil. Furthermore, interdisciplinary collaboration will be essential as we face the challenges posed by climate change. Picture teams of scientists from various fields working together to understand how soil microbes respond to shifting climatic conditions. Their collective efforts may lead to breakthroughs in identifying microbial strains capable of enhancing soil carbon sequestration, which could play a crucial role in mitigating climate impacts. Ultimately, the journey toward a sustainable future hinges on our recognition of the vital importance of soil health. By prioritizing education, supporting progressive policies, and fostering innovative research, we can cultivate a deeper appreciation for the hidden life within our soils. Each step we take toward understanding and nurturing these microbial communities not only enriches our agricultural practices, but also strengthens the very fabric of our ecosystems. In embracing this vision, we acknowledge that the future of soil health is a shared responsibility. It is a collective endeavor that requires the commitment of individuals, communities, and governments alike. As we strive toward a more sustainable agricultural landscape, let us remember that the health of our soils directly influences the health of our planet and, ultimately, our own well-being.